Wagwan ENT.
I used to like our early round massive. Still I say no, trust me, I'm guaranteed niceness tonight. So Mr. Garnet Hill, what you have to say to all the original Wadadley massive?
Sign and seal. Addies control things for years. Our baby face the intent.
All the massive, let's just spare the money and come inside, cause big things are going to come off from now.
Now Garnet Silk, step up and deal with them case proper, rude boy.
Addies is a stepping up.
Wadadley massive!
Addies stepping up.
I'm going to burn me tonight.
Addies stepping up.
All light in the air. All light.
Addies rolling. Roll them, Addies roll.
I like the heist.
Control them.
I like the heist.
Sounds a better high.
No.
Addies rolling. I know.
I'll pull up. I'm going to burn down on this blood clot tonight. Trust me.
Addies is
Long time I don't come down on Antigua.
Addies stepping up. Addies stepping up.
No, Eric. Oh, it's some jet lag.
Addies rolling. Roll them, Addies roll them. Addies control things. Sounds a better high. Addies rolling. I know. Roll them, Addies roll them. Addies control.
I'll pull up. You see like when I come down on Antigua, long time I don't come down here, so. I don't come down here for playing a bag of 45 or so. Garnet Hill, run tune, run tune. Run tune.
Yeah. His foundation is in the holy mountains. The Lord God the Almighty loved the gates of Zion more than all the dwellings of Jacob. Glorious things are spoken of thee, O city of God, Selah.
We have 100 new tunes to play for them tonight. And last week we met them.
Antire with Ethiopia.
No one else.
And of Zion it shall be said, this and that man was
Garnet Hill.
himself shall establish it.
I like the hype. I like the hype.
I never said lie, yes, the last year the first.
Oh, if you don't love God, let me see the one on the lighter.
Oh, Lord.
All love lighter. If you don't love God, let me see the lighter. All hands in the air. Touch. No use.
Talk, keep them talking. And it's gonna keep them talking.
But tell us I'm going to pop up in this blood clot tonight.
His foundation is in the holy mountains. The Lord God the Almighty.
All Selassie youth.
All the dwellings of Jacob.
Glorious. I don't want to get mad in here too early, you know. We're down to dance early.
Mention of
Make people have to run out from 12 o'clock.
Mr. Antire with Ethiopia, this man was born there. And of Zion it shall be said, this and that man was born in her, but the highest himself shall establish.
All the sex about the girls, don't worry yourself. Tune there for everybody. Bad boys, sexy girls, old people, liquor picnic, everybody I get them through tonight.
Oh Lord,
All the African massive culture. Out to New York, big it up.
come a long way.
All the 20th century crew.
Talk, keep them talking. Hey, and it's gonna keep them talking. Talk, they're talking. Oh, we've got a lot more coming. Talk, keep them talking. And it's, we're gonna keep them talking. Talk, they're talking. Hey, we've got a lot more coming. Lots more coming. No, who appears to hear, let them hear. And who have eyes to see, let them see. No one in this world can stop me. No, 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 no. But I'm protected by the Almighty. Let them talk, keep them talking.
Now Garnet Hill, I want you to come do a next tune for the massive car. We're not play with it tonight, you know. We have all 5 brand new Garnet Hill for that in here tonight, so.
What's it?
Anyway, what's this one?
Addies, look where you brand this tonight. Now you think I'm in this? I Aberdeen. This is 100% Garnet Silk. Garnet Silk, stop and murder them. And the judge respect, very fierce, murder them in the dancehall. Heavens declare the glory of God and the firmament stretches on the earth. The answer to your speech tonight and tonight should acknowledge. Over your apathy. And as Rasta black eye, live and reigns and rules over all living.
Oh, look here, I forgot the night in our daddy. Listen this.
Everyone is gonna love this. You will never forget this. Addies.
All I pull up. How much Garnet Hill me got? 3. I don't play none yet. Last year Garnet Hill me I play. Run back through again.
Think I'm in this? I Aberdeen.
You don't think I'm Aberdeen?
100% Garnet Silk. Garnet Silk, stop and murder them. Stand the jet, respect, baby.
Don't worry yourself, I just early on, man, I play the tune yet.
I've got a permanent changes on the road. The antidote speech of 1999,
yeah, man, let's go and pay the money coming calm.
and that's Rasta, like
Excess amount of tune tonight.
rules of all living.
All the Exorcist crew.
Everyone is gonna love this. You will never forget this. Addies giving you niceness, and I guarantee you have.
Right, so go on itself.
Everyone is gonna love this. You will never forget this. Addies giving you niceness, and I guarantee you happiness. People, they just look at it so wild. People shouting their neighbors. Hey friends, turn on your radio. Worries again at its down with a wicked thing. It's a long time I haven't felt such musical feeling. Everyone is gonna love it. You will never forget this. And
You know why you're going to take a DJ? You know why you're going to take a DJ?
and sometimes when I say these things, you'll be reluctant to believe. But me here on DJ just like it John, don't we get me grief. If it ever come on my dance, never up to back up from me. Well, you can still, if you are here and willing to take it. I use the culture, country rocks like this, and take the lead.
Alright, Mr. Garnet Silk, I want you to rest for a while. Now, Mr. Judas, I want you to bring in my bad boyfriend Anthony Red Rose and tell what that massive but Addies now do.
Addies, I make sure give them a little warning before I kill them. Hey, you some boy gonna talk with them, I run borderline, how much them a turn up on borderline and I grow and I kill people, boy. Patient man ride donkey and batty man riders. Sit down on the borderline.
Talk to the people, let me know.
This all Canadian wicked man, Jamaican wicked man, Jesus Christ man and all the new.
All the Antigua wicked man.
You them case me, I go back to Jerusalem for gun come give.
Listen at you now. I'm in a love, no way.
Hot clot, I sounded no. Hardcore flex.
Light the eyes.
Addies, no.
Hands in the air.
Hardcore sex.
Put it touch there.
We now love in our next song territory. A baby face now linger.
Mister.
Man borderline.
Ruminado.
Addies now love in our next song territory.
Touch.
Addies now linger.
All serious, my boys.
I will just pick up the whip and turn on the kasha.
All up, pull up. I'm going to pop up this blood clot tonight. I'm going to better pay the money and come
I
in.
will find this we kill this. Me look at me say Canadian wicked man Jamaican.
And the wickedest song this ever come a blood clot Antigua. Don't trust me.
Yes, me I go back to Jerusalem for gun come here. Kill them from borderline.
I don't like the rest of the song. They will love juggle and them thing there now.
Sounded no.
Death machine this.
Hardcore flex.
How the Exorcist you.
It's no ranger.
Round intentions.
Hardcore sound.
Ruminado.
We now love in our next sound territory. A baby face now linger. But another man borderline.
Got a mercy.
Addies now love in our next sound territory.
How the girls, so what I say.
Now linger. But another sound borderline.
Mister.
We just pick up the whip and turn on the kasha. Skin but them we use caustic soda. I'm not a loaf around, so don't you treat Addies sound like no clown. Sure, or it will be a showdown, and certainly your sound I gonna run out of town. A pennywise and a quatty foolish. You're bound to get fling in a ditch.
Hold up. Run tune. When I stay too long for one thing. Run tune.
I don't know idiot boy, I think especially I can't go to the idiot sound. Addies a big sound, good sound, see? No full sound for them tune. Yeah, this!
Run tune, my youth, run tune! I know why you're tune.
Oh, la-de-la-de.
Cocotte!
This is what Mr. Babyface said to a dibby selector over the solar.
You know what that little boy them there?
Addies a big sound, not a little old pan sound.
You know why you're tune?
This is a good sound, not a little tin pan sound.
Cocotte, sing!
Give me now, we don't afraid than no guy all tin pan sound. Baby faces are still lit up, run the town, cause we a big sound, not a little old pan sound.
I'll pull up that cocotte. prerogative. Now stay too long by one thing. I run some tune and make the people them know say yeah. At this day live and direct. See? And I'm not guilty.
Yes man, big bad sound Addies man. A long time I talk to the boy that wasn't here. See? Well hear this. We're rough. We kill them now. Whoa, we kill them now. Addies kill them now. Whoa, we kill them now.
Where you say, Cocotte? Where you say?
And I sing glory, glory, hallelujah.
Allah pull up, Allah pull up. I'm going pop. Run through again, run through.
Bad sound Addies man, a long time.
I'm early out, you know.
See, well hear this.
Pay no money, I'm coming.
We kill them now. Whoa, we kill them now.
All the Villa crew.
Addies kill them now.
All the crew from Hutton.
Kill them now.
Big it up.
And I sing glory, glory, hallelujah. As some boy get dust that lean up in the corner. It's a Addies sound, ladder it run the border. We kill them now. Whoa, we kill them now. We kill them now. Addies kill them now. After me talk to the sound them in Canada, make a little talk to the sound them in Jamaica. Me talk about yes I them rule the border. But see them now, baby fix him take over. We kill them now. Addies kill them now. We kill them now. Whoa, we kill them now.
Alright, I'll pull up. I just like how you have some nice sex about a girl in your son. Don't think so me left out in no car. Bigger things to go on later on. See? Still the God know. Now Mr. Tony Curtis, I want you come sing a tune for all the girls in your car. Them could have think so me forgot about them, but me not forgot about no yet. Look come off from now, me wet up on a panty. Bad, I make enough to go and change it. Now Tony Curtis, you're not tune for all the girls.
If I get down on my knees like I do every night,
all the nice sex about the what that the girls in I dance, I feel a tune this.
knowing I need you so.
Addies are Exorcist.
Still
I don't know about I go listen to jump on down the road this way.
but Addies come different.
Not for the night, tomorrow night or something.
Kick it later, cause we don't have time for play with it.
Run tune.
Alright, have mercy.
Tony Curtis, sing for the what that the people them.
Should I even listen? Should I even try?
Listen.
We'll just be hearing the Addies sound. Hey, yes, someone don't matter what you do to your sound. Cause you let the jump and sound never play like Addies sound. You say things are the way they sing, but still you won't come play with me. How do you think that you gotta boom somewhere? You don't care the Addies sound. Addies are the murder. Jump and sound tonight. Son, while you keep running, but you cannot hide. Addies.
Tell them, me brethren, good boy living on a hunting. You know that
Pop that blood clot. I'm going to pop up. Run tune face, run tune.
enough of the sound full of talk about gun thing and them don't know nothing about this. And enough boy I run down fame. I murder people in a broad day.
Oh no, you hear the mix?
Stop call up them name. I talk about them no response in a broad day.
All the outshades bad boys.
That's on the phone that pick up like sense.
Liberta bad boys.
Not good boys for years. Yeah, King Addies for the worldwide. And
Brother Benz, where you said to what that the youth?
tell them, me brethren, good boy living on a hunting. You know the time for your life. And when you have been feeling you.
Pull up. Buckler. I'm a massive. On a large.
Enough of the sound full of talk about gun thing and them don't know nothing about
No
this.
urban.
Boy I run down fame.
You like natural anyway then.
Yeah, like I know if I'm gonna stop call up them name. I talk about them now.
Now deal with it, don't worry yourself.
I'm gonna spot them out from a distance on the phone and pick up like sentence. No last family original good boys for years. Yeah, King Addies for the worldwide, entire. Yeah.
Run tune.
I'll tell them.
Rockers, baseline.
Tell them, me brethren, good boy living on a hunting. You know the time for your laugh and when you have to see me up from you are dealing a hunting. Make up your mind.
close away with them.
No spragger.
Addies, you have been fit. Cause when gunshot a liquor, you can't make yourself big standing target. You have been marked. Because things will happen fast and a one shot alone, you get fit squeeze off your fit cool. Have things under control. We look out for police and rat patrol. You fit smart and if you born without heart for murder people.
I sing who seek Addies get them wisdom increase. We no believe in the devil or the mark or the beast rather dead. Before we put the chip for 6 in our head, baby face tell them love God and liberate him and I.
Earlier to not go on, son.
But still I say I Addies know that the whole of them are poor.
All the rest of you them, you're not you now.
Face tell them that life after death don't bring that toy. But your body can that your spirit can.
Pull up that blood clot. Why me I tell you say? I first show on don't get me mad in a say no. Don't get me mad too early. Run tune again, big man. Some of the people them don't love reality.
I am gonna witness something that you never witnessed before.
God no.
Addies rocking the whole dance floor, New York and London and Canada and Jamaica and all over the Caribbean, Europe, all over the world.
Listen.
Look at the boys and girls. Read them. New Orleans family. Oh God.
All the Antigua crew.
Addies so wicked every time. Give us a walk up.
Be the man, reality.
I sing who seek Addies get them wisdom increase. We no believe in the devil or the mark or the beast rather dead. Before we put the chip for 6 in our head, baby face tell them love God and liberate him and I. And teach us what the Pope and not still I say I the only one to say each other that to try. Nothing need to try like a fail on me boy. This thing Addies and make new life right. And when do we come from a
Billman.
cross the bridge, your life gone in a sorrow. I sing, and if you cross the bridge, your life gone in a pain. You lots of the big gun, so
the tune not done yet.
breathe,
The tune not done yet.
and you will never this the Addies.
What that lay?
Yeah.
Get a piece of tuna.
You this the men. You this the men with the clock, then you
Pull up. Run by that tuna, man, you.
oh God, I see you got this wicked every time.
What that lay? Me love you every time.
I see if a pussy want to say each other that to try. Nothing need to try like a fail on me boy. This thing Addies and make you like to cry. And when doing
Where's the baby?
them and cross the bridge, your life gone in a sorrow. I sing, and if you cross the bridge, your life gone in a pain.
Hold on, pull up. I'm going to play one more tune on the real rock for the Addies car. Run that tune, listen good. Run tune.
Addies, murder boy for nothing at all. New York bad boy. No pussy no giving a talk and walk by road tomorrow morning. If we bust up the big 45 empty on the
I'm
gas.
a bad boy, mad cabra this.
The baby face, Jesus Christ, eat and Mr. Gunning on. Run it, pussy test and die. Yeah man. Talking the talk.
All the way down the road,
Wanna
boys.
talk. Yeah?
Hear that tune now. Mister.
I sing one of these days Addies get merciless, cold and dark. A pussy will brain a lick up. Brain a fly. Pick a black ball up me back. One of these days Addies get cold and dark. A pussy head down a lick up.
Early out, you know.
Brain a fly.
Come on, where you say?
Bad boy, papa, fireball, R.I.P. Rest in peace. Pussy get a coffin and them soon get the rhythm ball, R.I.P. Rest in peace. Soon them get a coffin and them soon get the watch out. At this a rude sound, we knocking teeth. Pussy take a seat and sit down and whip. I lay down in a boat box, we cover with grit. Copper shot, gunshot, a whole heap. Funeral a give 7 days of the week. Gun in a million a mission come.
Hold up. Too much of one thing not good for you. I just the early round and I don't play no tune yet. That's some last year tune me I play. Anyway, I want to feature that tune for all the massive car. From one day that tune I mash up the world. Bad. About 10 artists in a one. Listen that tune now. Listen good. Listen good.
Big up the world. Yeah, cause the world in concert, you know. Watch out now.
Here we are going to the wickedest thing is the world. I say a king of this man, them case like Matlock. Big up everywhere around the world. England, all about Japan, all Bangladesh and Beirut, everywhere around so Vietnam. Watch out the wickedest combination this the world. I say watch out now. Louis Court alongside who Gear Minded, alongside who Deli Ranks, alongside who again, Dukes Ranks, alongside who again, Frisco Kid, alongside who again, Snagger Post, alongside who again.
You're that tuner.
Yike! This special make a lot of sound commit suicide, killing sound worldwide. The greatest is not a combination.
I just early out to them.
Play the version, babyface. Play the version. I'm a man. There is no other sound play sweet like Addies.
Run back
combination. It's a collaboration.
I don't think I hear the tune here.
Babyface. Play the version.
We are the people. Let me tell you something. We are there. Irish. You see, since there, me come here saying that the man them show me the blood clot zinc fence with hole in it. And I tell me say, African Shock and Exorcist are going wicked last night. Me say wait till tonight. And you see the dance not even start yet. The blood clot zinc fence pop off. Alright. Run back that tune now. The tune not even start yet. Run back that tune now.
Alongside who again, Snagger Post.
Hey, go look for your next zinc fence for beat out.
Who again, Snagger, say something.
That one they done. What a new one.
Side. Killing sound.
Go lick out two over this.
It's not a combination. It's a collaboration. Play the version, babyface. Play the version.
Pay on the money and coming. Pay on the money and coming. Pay on the money and coming.
There is no other sound play sweet like Addies sound. No giving them no more chance. Coming with them not rough like we giving them no more chance. Oh my God.
Well, you will culture that.
See, they got the box of election ready to kill. Anything they better write them will. Wicked be wicked and 10 pies of pill. From like Jobra.
Where's the Louis?
Stand still, no. Some can't make me worry. Nobody can make me afraid. No, the way you have been a life.
Who next?
Some boy won't get come out. So when Addies come out and we back to the phone, we know worry about the car we have video. Some boy come out and a gun like them at but
who next?
Not them down us. Some boy full of big speech and a marketive way. Test Addies I wanna
pull up that bomber. How now rapping me?
Play the version. I'm a man.
Yeah man, the man them round this stuff go in at the front go pay the money and come in.
There is no other sound play sweet like Addies sound. No other sound can play like we. No. You play crystal clean. I can hear it from afar. It's so mellow, so nice to me. That's how we giving them no more chance. Coming with them not rough like we giving them more chance.
Well, Louis culture there one more time.
See, they got the box of election ready to kill. Anything they better write them will. Wicked be wicked and 10 pies of pill. From like Gibraltar up with the no, some can't make me worry. Nobody can make me afraid. No, the way you have been a life, no Addies well and that no.
Reduction rank says.
Come on, so when Addies come out and we back
lighter,
lighter, a video,
lighter.
Some boy come out and a gun like them, but them no, I'm not up in a them down us. Some boy full of big speech and a marketive way.
Frisco Kid.
Addies all of them get defeat. Baby face, how your name?
With Deli Ranks,
not football. Addies of them, ball it out, no sound no more than you. Can up sound boy up the number 2. King Addies to run the.
Follow why you Snagger Post.
The sound
Snagger.
Some sound them a play number 3. Addies kill them and send them.
I don't pull up. I don't think I just right now. I the sound style that. And it have enough girl in here so. So hear this. I don't think the tune on yet. Listen.
Hey, hold on. Hey, little one, I did it. I see what you're going. Alright. Anyway, you are going to Snagger. You have some little girl run up and down from where they call themselves mate. But when they push up alongside this girl, they do what the girl everywhere. You don't come and we and look at them and say, mate, I don't know about motor. Hallelujah. What does that supposed to say?
Yeah, Addies going in at the bad boy style, sound class style. No, this is the girl style. All the girls them. Can you remind it again?
All the girls. I feel no one this one.
Daily ranks.
I think I one way there.
Dukes ranks. I'm a mama.
All the girls, I feel no one this.
Every time.
There is no other girl in this world like Addies girls. No other girls don't act like them. No, no, no. I said, what could you do? Girl, we'll leave it unto you, yeah. So let me show you what I can do. Hey, why you give me no more time? Because me
She
give me no
in the girl style.
Oh my God,
Louis, different style.
she got the eyes of an angel, pretty like a rose. And did she look from head down to toes? Y'all just say yes, I make a disfling on the ring. Cause every time you pass the bass, you leave me one song to sing. No, girl can't make you worry.
3 more tune after this.
But you can't make you fret.
Then we go take a little rest.
You have in a life of this girl that no safety one. And this girl them come out and them push to the bone. Them no worry about man cause them happy. Me a come out and I want like she a kiss me next to in a that she get rock. Some girl full of big speech and them back it in.
Only $10 to come inside.
I tell them straight. And this girl, your bucket is strong. In the ear push up on her hand. Just sing along. Full of big speech and them bucket is weak. I'm a not stop but I tell them straight. And this girl, I hear them call. We have some girl be fair. With his clothes off a line and aware. From you know not even clothes you now. We jump around and put your hand in the ear. And sing along. Who a thought we wet liner? These clothes are flat, these clothes are real. We sing along. Who a thought we wet liner? These clothes are rock and Steve. Why not? Just small it out, I get no more than you. Get out of foot, because you man.
Alright, too much of one thing not good for you. We just exercise some versatility for the massive. Just pay on the money and come in. It's only $10. Live and direct from New York. The big bad sound Addies in. Now we're going to play 4 more tunes and bring in Exorcist. And then we can start with half an hour. What have you seen? 4 more tunes. And this is tune number 1. Run tune, listen good, listen.
Well, hear this. You little son boy over there, son. Me talk about this a bad man, son. You a son boy, keep yourself quiet. Remember, Junior, Jesus Christ, don't let the big 45 and let the Glock steady rounds. Jesus Christ, baby face, matter on. If a boy feels that you can't smoke him, better hold him select over the sun, go and suck him 2 bars.
Don't turn him out around.
Let's move along and cut them girl down the marshal.
My sidekick, selector in New York. Pick up yourself anyway there.
Jesus Christ, original gangster. All original bad boys, face up. Yeah, hear me?
Find some Ricky General.
Yo, tell them.
All the bad boys.
Gun. Ice gun. When big gun pop out, shot a fire like rain. A pussy will hear Addies and can't come.
Ricky General.
Make a boy stay, they call baby face name. All over him close. Them just can't stop. We 45 from bus. This sound now we gonna get the fool them hiccup. Can't stop. We big gun from bus. All wicked man, ice gun. When we a kill boy, we kill without pity. Shot all the baby, we a suck the mama titty. Shot all the mama turn run shot the daddy, let the follow to the cook. Taggy up and shotty. What they call we quick, we draw shotty. All wicked man, oh no, ice up this special. Finger on the trigger, a full type of your bossy fire. You know you are the Uzi, crank it up and bossy. Tell them, big gun pop out, shot a fire like rain. A pussy will hear Addies and can't complain. Make a boss here, they call King Addies name. All over him close, guns out. Anytime we pop off, a pussy life lock off. A boy you informer, tell her to go over wap.
Hold up. Alright, tune number 2. I said 4 more tune, me play 1. Now since there, you come in a shanty town and check the jet them round the sun. I'ma see the one I would draw for the thing we name the Sue board. You know what Sue board is? I the jet them have a little piece of board where them use and cut up the little herb thing there before them smoke it. Cut it up fine, one piece of board named Sue board. I don't know if they them know me at all, but at Jamaica them call it Sue board. And I'm going to play a tune for all the original ganja man them in your car. Me know say Antigua full up a ganja man car. Me I tell you everybody healing of the nation. Cause we no response for cocaine and crack and them thing they mash up the youth youth them sin. So put your bands on. I want you come do a brand new ganja tune for all the Antigua massive. Now everybody, listen to that tune now. Eric, listen to that tune now.
Easy! Come big respect goes down to eat on the dread. All family dead. Cause you don't know, sir.
Listen to Buju Banton now.
I don't know New York massive can't stop but the ganja. It's the only thing can settle your brain in this time within a Babylon, you know. Yeah? Settle your soul and your spirit.
All the ganja man them.
Say it to me now.
Listen to that tune now. Buju.
Down it on the burn, me down and take it on the train. Give me the time to me now, make it to me till me burn me down it on the burn.
Hold up. Run by that tune now, Buju. Run by that tune. I summon enough ganja man long, I will love you now.
Easy! Come big respect goes down to eat on the dread. All family dead.
I just the early round, I don't.
Easy.
I don't play no tune here.
But the ganja is the only thing can.
I have 20 bucks to kill if I play for you now.
Yeah.
Only $10 to come in.
We can't stop money. Say it to me now. Watch all the massive them.
Buju.
Down it on the burn, me down and take it on the train. Give me the time to me now, make it to me till me burn me down it on the
Buju.
take it on the train.
What did you them do this evening?
And when they sing, and when they story bout baby face make extra certain the chalice is loud cause the rain. Nothing better for us to do. And all the Brooklyn crew, and when they story bout I tell you no for make extra certain the cup is load cause the rain. Nothing better for us to do. Once more mic is slow. Yeah, we on the plane, we can't take it on the train. Give me the sign to me, I make it to me till I'm
Hold up. I want them listen to me, I play a tune tonight, you know. 2 more tune and I'm bringing Exorcist. Now you see that next tune me, I play for the item. 2 days ago, if the item don't remember, today was Monday, Friday night gone, was the birthday of His Imperial Majesty Haile Selassie the First. I used to like all the original dreadlocks them in there, so I mean all the people them know what they them love them culture, you know. If I one thing me know, what that the people love them culture. And 3 days ago was Selassie birthday. So you see the second to last tune I'm gonna play for the item is a tribute to Selassie. I want to listen to that tune now. Tribute to Selassie. I light her eyes. Listen to that tune now. Listen tune. Run tune.
Yeah, Jesus Christ, man.
Yeah, this tune, man. May I tell you, tribute to Selassie.
Just walk up for some boy, girl. Slaughter the boy like I'm going to all body back.
Get your hammer them ready.
Yeah, man,
tribute to Selassie.
bad boy, man. Anyway, anything test Addies dead. If reality you want, let me. Show man, what is the make about, man? Nigga Pines, baby face.
Yeah, tune.
Bad boy.
Tribute to Selassie.
Man.
All rest a picnic.
Don't ever come back, man. I say tribute to Selassie, the great emperor. Who rule the whole world, him rule it entire. Selassie the greatest king.
Legal. Run it back.
Nigga Pines, baby face.
I don't think you know you're in the tune yet. Legal gunshot down.
Greatest soul ever come back, man.
Selassie.
I say tribute to Selassie, the great emperor. Who rule the whole world, him rule it entire. Selassie the greatest king. Only king wake up on battlefield with him soldier Selassie. Raise him rod, pay lightning and thunder. All ballad of the go in front of every rasta.
Run back this blood clot. Me not tell you. Selassie, you about to big up on yourself.
Nigga Pines, baby face. All new like bad boy.
One more tune after this.
Addies, man. Greatest soul ever come back, man.
You.
I say tribute to Selassie, the great emperor. Who rule the whole world, him rule it entire. Selassie the greatest king. We come out ever. Only king. Deal with him soldier Selassie. Raise him rod, pay lightning and thunder. All ballad of the bow in front of every rasta. Rest the men now sit up with no one.
Yeah, true.
Who believe in iniquity and a bag of obia. Warmonger no know nothing about them culture. Them not know where the word Selassie stand for. It stand for Holy Trinity. I say strength and power. Jack and lick the whole of them with brimstone and fire. If for reality you want, let me hear you holla out King Addies. New like true reality you want, let me hear you holla out King Addies. New York, first let's fight my rolling throne of Addis Ababa. 72 nations from all over. Bow down front Selassie, the great emperor. In a 1830 a pure warrior. When Selassie, how against the Mussolini. Stand up on a battlefield and show him power. Stand up on a nuclear bomb and he could no fire. I saw the Muslim them get conquer. No Babylon, no Ballet, no backbiter. Coulda never touch it one of Addis Ababa. If them try to do it, just set the sword on fire. If for reality you want, let me hear you holla out King Addies.
You never ask on that question now. A reality you don't want. A reality you don't want. All the people in here say we love God. Make me sure that I know. If we don't love God, lighter ice. Lighter ice. Touch. Lighter ice. Alright now people, some men don't love God, so last God know. You see the last tune, I can play for them now. I can cool out like a bit, sing God. We don't tell us up big things are going like a more. You see the last tune, I can play for them. I want reality tune, cause I still up and still say I think enough, I'm a Rasta youth and a Rasta picnic. Sin. This is the last show I can play for them till a little bit from now. I'm not even going to tell you who the artist is. Atuma, wanna sing, I wanna DJ. Listen to tune. I want this tune mash up Jamaica, bad body. You see them two tunes I can play now, you know? Are the two number one tune of Jamaica right now. Trust me, Panda. Two number one tune of Jamaica right now. I'm going to play them together. Now one tune. Listen to tune. Keep it on top.
Remember, cleanliness is godliness.
Yeah. I say I'm like I say you do create light and turn over them on those who take craft the council. Yeah, King Kabila sit on the show of fire. Yeah, Addies look on them case and tell them say yeah. Big up all the new last people.
Any boy this Selassie, them must have to die. If you this Marcus, you buy the dust. If you this Emmanuel, you must end up in a hell. No keep it on. Where you come talk to
like
people.
Turn over them on those who take craft the council. Yeah, King Kabila sit on the show of fire. Yeah, Addies look on them.
Anthony Red Rose and Capleton, my last tune.
The judgment of the earth, tell them the spirit and the thing test get earth.
Them tune and mash up Jamaica people.
Yeah, all the girls from uptown, cross and down, and round. So yeah, judgment of the earth, tell them the spirit. Yeah,
now rockers, get yourself in line.
You know, in a judgment.
Yeah, I have everybody man.
New Locks family, Antigua, Bermuda, USA, J, UK, worldwide.
Yeah, say that back again. The people them know hear it good. Say it again, say it again. I saw me love down here, sorry now. I have to pick up the Antigua massive and I'm a dub them. Listen again. Listen.
I will put them and say, yeah, all the girls from uptown, cross and down, and round. So yeah, judgment of the earth, tell them the spirit. Yeah, Anthony Red Rose and Capleton, likewise, baby, in a judgment.
Yeah, I have everybody man.
New Locks family, Antigua, Bermuda, USA, J, UK, worldwide.
Yeah, I have a face. Look for the man to step up that right hand to make the enemy be like.
Listen, June. I know why you're June.
I want to look cut it out.
All Rasta-minded people.
Addies come to execute all Eden.
From far.
And as far as I see a paper enemy,
fuck them all.
Addies come to execute all Eden.
Keep it on.
And I see.
Keep it on.
I think all for this Marcus. Then you must buy the dance and equal rights and justice. That's what this started. And if it is all of this, boy, you're going to die. Emperor Selassie.
Hold up. A Rasta sound this, you know. Rasta sound, I'm the last doing this. A two number one tune of Jamaica right now. Me alone I play that way.
Want to look cut it out. Should live up top to back twang. Addies come to execute all Eden.
From far.
Reality touch.
Far as I see.
Burn it down.
Eden.
Fuck them all.
Burn it down.
Addies come to execute all Eden.
You keep it on the DJ Prophet there.
Far as I see.
Keep it on, where you there?
I think all for this Marcus. Then you must buy the dance and equal rights and justice. That's what this started. And if it is all of this, boy, you're going to die. Emperor Selassie, I got this Emmanuel, gone down the hill. Every knee shall bow and every tongue shall tell them send for them a walk with them evil spell. In our corruption and for them all the day. I am no places where the wickedness dwell. To vanity all them told them a say. Man a son Matty man.
Tune not done yet, the tune not done yet.
There is the fullness there.
The tune not done yet.
Now you find everything, now you find it. So when you see the Addies, please don't try it. I sat in my boy, if it is here.
Anthony Red Rose, sing one more time. Listen, Red Rose.
What we say?
Can't say me never did I warn you. Oh Lord, me tell you. Oh.
Be everywhere, yo.
No Addies will your son boy. Don't be jacket going fit you.
Well, the tune not done yet. Be everywhere.
Son boy, make me see a sign from the nose of that. The piece I deal with this time, for the hear me say, cool off the war and cry.
Roll up. We're not playing a tune yet. I'm gonna chill out and drink 2 liquor juice and them thing there. One more? No man. Addies and Exorcist there, sir. Wait, sir, one more, not it. One more. Oh no, one here, one more. Alright people, hear this now. You see music business. Music business. You have to be careful with music business and sound class business. It's very dangerous. You have to know what you do. You can't commit suicide on them thing there. You have to know what you really are doing at this music business. Music is a mission, not a competition. People remember that. See? Music is a mission, not a competition. See? I want them just keep that in our mind. See? I want the 21st century crew.
Remember so later on a bigger thing saying on Tuesday night a detrimental thing. Cheese on in a one land. Ya freak. Addies. Exorcist. Only $20. Now I'm bridging fabulous.
Boy, myself, you know. Exorcist, everything is everything, and boy, watch the air. Anyway, reading Bruni, away I laugh, away. Easy market, General B, Canada. Cricket from Port Royal, what him say, skull for boy, sure.
Yeah. Who is it? Follow us.
Oh yes. See that? Believe me or not.
Generation sounded from early Jesus in the setup.
Wanna see it? So man, watch this. What me say?
Who's it?
Exorcist, you know mingo with for funky and spy. No mingo. This is the one die. We no mingo. To me say bad man no mingo. I know why. I sing to the machine. Them bad man no bad friend. The SLR on them a den. Them for the machine now gangsters say I know yo. Because one nipper boy no bow. You shouldn't do it. Anyway you run boy your life still limit. You legally fit dead any over any minute. We only shoot your money from out of your pocket. Running up and down shadow knows when you panic. Look before you leave your sin. Now you keep the bucket. To how they body mash up. So no boy you damn it. Some guys fit dead and them friends they get punished.
Sir, we learn out the mercy, we no get it back yet. You this exorcist, we like this ragga, sir. We give away with pity, we destroy your city. Who no check, say you broke, we are exorcist, no mercy at all, Jesus. No mercy. Exorcist, we don't shoot and miss. I wanna pick up all the Antigua crew, we kill all 52. No mercy. I wanna pick up a man like Raga. Well, this is mercy. Let's back and take my page, man. I'm gonna say a word.
Yeah, you know, tell you something, we got the mercy, but we lend it to our friend, yeah. And if ain't gone, we can't get it from him again, so we start the killing. And I tell you, Jason, you is wheeling. Merciless, my artist, where are you?
I wanna pick up a man like Jason, we kill boy for nothing. Good to me, no shit. Be a dead man. Oh, no big and broad, exorcist shot boy in a them own yard. Merciless, sir. We learn out the mercy, we no get it back yet. You this exorcist, well and death ragga, sir. We give away with pity, we destroy your city. Who no check, say a joke, we are exorcist, no mercy at all. Jesus, bitter like all. Make sure say you no ragga, name your call. It's a go and get all your marrow splash out, bend the wall. You ain't going to roll like a ball. True exorcist, respect him, brethren. Lend them with chain, and we lend them with ring. But then we stove with the inner we kitchen. Nothing can do good. We lend we brethren, a man come borrow we mercy. And we lend him when exorcist ready for who no get warping. The boy take plane and fly Ghana foreign. Chewing on no visa, pick up, they go find him. Ragga get wicked, then start the killing. We start kill boy all early morning. Sunday past on the pipe, the pampas.
Exorcist gonna kill the thinking again. Water to travel, see all of the Antigua pass. See the baiting man is there. And I say see, water can travel, see the baiting man say. What do the baiting man say?
Who's it?
What we say? Kill and destroy now. Says exorcist, say dead to blood clean. Who we finish it up?
Trust me.
I'm gonna talk about this wicked man, my friend. Me tell him say computer try call me gun him and confuse and mad. When still a go on like you know that and a grown. This year we got the biggest gun down at them. We can't do it for talking. Me good at shooting. Beating man, I say warning. Water break, yeah, you know, yeah. Debating man, me kinda red. Me smoke about 40 guineas and drink about 80 split. Me toxic 30, me must kill something in here tonight. Raga, what the bumbo clot you bad. So you just shut the boy them from all angle. Poo, no one not the read him, no. You just shut the sound, boy, you make them marble just fly out. So, Jason, what a catastrophe, you know. You chop off the boy, head and look at the blood running the base. Hey, boy. Boom, boom, clot and cushion peng. Yeah, you know, Exorcist gonna kill the thing again. What a controversy, all of the Antigua pass. The debating man is there. And I say, Dubplate, what a controversy, debating man say. What the debating man say? What is that? Kill and destroy now. Just Exorcist, you're dead to blood clean. Who weeping in a belly and a gnashing of teeth. Kill and destroy now. Just Exorcist, you're dead to blood clean. Who weeping in a belly and a gnashing of teeth. What a break, boy, you this now. You're the back and besiege the wrong back. Out your mouth, make you lose a couple teeth. You have to if it no. You wouldn't ask them if it reach to get a bounce. By your mouth, the kill of the tank, fling it a bush. We don't eat tank, come me, tell me who want it. So who want to compete? On the back up on the side with the sound that ever walk on the street. Kill and destroy now. Just Exorcist, you're dead to blood clean. Who weeping in a wailing and a gnashing of teeth. Kill and destroy now. Just Exorcist, you're dead to blood clean. Who weeping in a wailing and a gnashing of teeth. We kill and destroy, eliminate and assassinate. Anything test them bigger than bury your place. She rise at the iron and scour it in a boy face. Shut that gun, checking red man, wanna be so.
Already and we not talk again. Say boy, you go there, do no monkey don't turn.
Massive. Later on, a bigger things now, trust me. Just a brand is a few sneaks.
Where's the big gun, Chris? Raga, we kill boy for less than dollar, then a mercy. Ocean and chasing the girls, their money basing, then a mercy. And Gusukum boy gonna death for less than one with room, then a mercy. Saba to say, heard me out.
Exorcist, hear me now. Boy, come see with all the big 45 and this. Couple shot, I'll make them face sweet. Merciless.
Who's it? Wayne, the girls are playing the kid of foot. Sound boy, we talk already and we now talk again. The boy, you go there, do no monkey don't turn. Couple shot, a mouth, but see all the boy them. Where your enemy, bitch, merciless. Boy, make your last dead wish. Tonight you're going dead like a parrotfish. Well, Raga did the one you but chew your fool.
Merciless. Massive. So this is someone here. Are the wickedest thing in Antigua. Oh, we are talking about crystal sound. Addies, you hear everything clear. Crystal. So my brethren, megabyte.
This is Exorcist, yeah? Watching the people in clip, you know. Rockers, I murdered a Marvin Circle, chili. Large every time. See when I put up and pour it on, yeah. Squeeze the button up. It takes a lot. Snake man, this is murder time. Exorcist says murder time. Gangsta mega say.
Who's the mega?
A long time we are one and a hell of a big one. Never want to see them all the time. We pull up a wicked and we are killing with purpose. The best gangsta, we do plenty. I have never heard of some place of Indians.
Watch out, we now get the right current and all them sitting. We now get the right juice. Now my pleasure push you.
Exorcist sound. All the girls them stretch out. Watch a ragga. This is like a big time. Saying cherry chin. All Antigua massive, no respect every time. Rhythm. Squidly ranking. Big up. Out of His mercy. You know some sound attack. Man, know this. Exorcist run things every time. Watch it. Bye. Hold your band and the whole of them cry.
Who's that?
Bye. When the whole of them stand up and cry. You know. I don't know if I'm with a parasite. I don't know where you want to be.
Massive. But why you hear me clear now? Addies are wicked sound, yes. But might not have the dubs I'm having. But trust me, big things are going on later. Dennis the menace.
All Exorcist crew, hold tight. Now step guard T-Burn and deal with the case. Fast! Yeah!
Dennis.
Whoa, now.
Dennis.
I say, whoa, now.
Dennis.
Whoa, now. I say, whoa, now.
Dennis. What we say?
Heard you planning to attack a new sound.
Massive. Trust me. We might not have what them have, but we little down blocks. Wicked. Trust me. Dennis.
Now big up all Antigua and Massive. Big up all Exorcist crew. Hold tight. Now step guard T-Bone and deal with the case. Fast. Yeah. Whoa, man, now. I said, whoa, man, now.
Who's it?
Whoa, man, now. I said, whoa, man, now.
Who's it?
Ooh, yeah.
Where the beers? There.
Heard you planning to attack me, sound boy. But you fuck up your
Massive. Wow. Massive, trust me. Tuesday night. Massive Tuesday night. A wicked things. Trees sound back up in a one land. We got blocked down everything and build it back up the next day. Cause too much soon if you mention with trees sound in a one land. Trust me. $20. Trust me, Massive. All the African Massive, man like Clark, and man like Porridge. Respect to the maximum, man like Babyface. Go and big up my youth. Come in, sir. Junior Reed. Step up.
Brother, boy. Who goes? Stand your home. Standing in a no home. Don't watch not TV TV. Don't listen not TV radio. Just take in Exorcist. Say, Lord. Standing in a no home. 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 Antigua Massive, you say man the go home. Say, you only got a few seconds more to drop it right here on the dance floor. You know any sound class Exorcist ever ready. Boxes are dope, plate and boxes are LP. It go rap a pam pam up here, rap a pam pam.
Hold on. Massive. Please don't break it down till tomorrow night. We want I before we head tomorrow night when the three big sound mash up in here, sir. Y'all hear me? Tomorrow. A wicked things. See? Junior Reed. We don't back shallow. But we fit. Every morning we get up and we run to lap. Then we go beach and soak in the seawater. And make that soak in our body. And then later on, we come up at Iric and get some steamed fish and okra and then sit and you know.
You like Raga Ocean, man. Since go some cherry. Big things are going for you, man. Listen, man. Well, hear the slang. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la. We slow. Music low. Antigua low. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la. Exorcist low. So no absence. And the selector will be a hit now. So no absence. And the selector will be fit you up, for the spirit bit. Come this and sit you up, for the spirit bit. Listen.
Massive. Trust me, man. Trust me. Tuesday night, I'll wicked at things in store. Now my brother and baby face go and big up yourself, man, youth, for real. See? Oh, Massive, trust me. Watch out, alright, Massive. You see like how you're getting a heat now? See like how you're getting a heat? And as I tell you, see I'm gonna tell you like how it dog box. Massive, you see it? We defend weed 24/7. And if you want weed, just come check. Good come right about now. I'm have the wickedest yard weed in the place. See? And you know, God bless my father for look my mother and have me. Cause I just said that. So here is
request. One nice and decent people.
What is it?
I come to college, I said me come. Originate my nigga to hold up just on. Balaba, just said me come.
Stop! Massive! Make it. God bless my mother and my father.
One nice and decent people.
Iric.
I come to college, I said me come. Originate my nigga to hold up just on. Balaba, yeah. Balaba, yeah. Just said me come. Just said me come. You
Massive, you see, after God bless my mother and my father, I'm a stepping out the world. See how me step. Watch ya. Watch how me stepping out the world. Watch how we stepping out the world. Watch how we stepping out the. Watch how we stepping. What we do? What we do? Listen. What we say?
Right now. Right now.
What we say?
I love the way I am. Do you understand? I'm stepping it out of this seat.
Massive. Boy, it's like God bless shot selectors. See like how me shot and baby face shot. Are the wickedest thing ever buck up in a shanty tongue. Are the wickedest thing in Antigua, trust me. So I need to come out with.
Do you respect me? Do you respect me? Real gun, no carry gun. I want, away one. Do you scare me? Do you scare me?
Right now, right now. I love the way I am. Do you understand? I'm stepping it out of this sea. I'm stepping it out of this sea. Don't you like it?
Massive. So this after this tune, we have two more and then I bring him a virgin baby face. The two wickedest thing in Antigua right now, trust me. The two is short, see? The two wickedest thing are going. And you see tonight and tomorrow night, I just music to the maximum. You get your money's worth tonight and tomorrow night. You see them have a song I play over that way. I'm not call on him. I mean, I know if them envy we or them grudge we. But they are New York and them a get clash. And them a play with the whole heap of big sound and me a cool. Now one man come bring a little work for me. Them say we send for big sound and we can't manage that. We take up things over for we head. And I know if him grudge me or what you saying? You see this one's reaching out to all them man them. They know say boy they no want see a man getting away. So hear this.
Now Exorcist in the place and all massive feel nice. Ocean and Guzum Raga and Pasta, big up yourselves to me. Antigua massive, Freddie McGregor love your bonafide. Say it. Whoa now, whoa now, whoa now.
Final one. And then a virgin Addies. Man like baby face.
Whoa now. Looks like the sun doesn't shine for some boy.
Who is it? Massive. I mean, I know if I grudge them go to the hour, but they can't stop it, see?
Ocean and Guzum Raga and Pasta, big up yourselves to me. Antigua massive, Freddie McGregor love your bonafide. Say whoa now, whoa now, whoa now. Culture pan a song what case tonight. Whoa now, whoa now, whoa now. Hug it up to them over the soul. Looks like the sun doesn't shine for some boy. Whoa now. Exorcist playing dubs and the people them nice.
I'm massive.
Killer sound is a must, I know. No matter how they fuss and go on, Exorcists read these things in prophecy. And when the rain stop falling down and they've got no Dubplates, oh now they gonna bow down to the ground, wishing that they were under.
Yeah, alright, Mr. Freddy. Massive. You see, tomorrow night, Trace only not in your so. Only $20. The wicked and mighty Addies from out in New York City. Alongside the wicked and mighty Africa. And alongside the very own Exorcist. Now my brethren, baby face. Step up.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Yeah, me know people now. Last time Addies come down here, so as my brethren Ragas say, I played with sound, Stonewall. I'm wapping. Let me hear you good. Alright. You see when you give a man an inch and him take a blood clot mile, then you know if you do. All the original Labetta bad boy them, no intention. All Saints crew, Villa crew, Irvine, no intention, my lord. Sin, Afrique, no Claude, Parish, no more intention. Sin, now from night, when your Exorcist are going away, in a them own at home. But you see me now, you see since I saw it I go, we not pet nobody. I'm not give nobody no chance. Remember that. Hear this. Hear this. Hear tune. Hear tune.
It's the death of a sound boy.
Hear tune.
So you're gonna die tonight.
Hear tune.
Tonight. So you're gonna die tonight, boy. Should have said Addies.
Yeah, let me tell Exorcist say.
No sound, no rough, no tough, no better than Addies, man.
Yeah, let me tell him
no rough, no tough, no better than this.
Yeah, let me tell him say.
Now, he's gonna die, boy. Die tonight, boy.
Shut up.
No cocaine, cause fit we have to fit, see? Yeah.
Now me here. My brethren rockers tell me say what?
And we no melt no rock.
Fit we have a fit.
Yeah. We don't plot to play and we no win no frack a shaka like us. Touchdown. Danny Chad and Babyface.
See it. I fit we fit, waiting.
Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la.
People know.
Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la. To test how this you have to fit. Fit, to test how this you better fit. Fit, to come in and dance. You better smart. To come in and dance. You have to smart. Smart. Well in the morning as I rise. But I'm in trucks so can exercise. Make I not have this coming fit. Fit. Walk on the road with a chop in a one minute. Eat no steak, me no eat no ham. Run my group as a vegetarian. Addies are the champion. We know the feel for dig some yam. Pick some can use it. Make a shaman school. Me the come and get it for them. Start to the sing now. What a bam bam. Addies your big I say this.
Addies give me true love. I need not search no more. Addies play the truth loves. I need not search no more. Hear me? And one sounds like a wandering sheep on this Jaja land. And with no one to love me, and with no one to care for me. Shine is a light.
Now massive, you see me? It's a one-man show. Anywhere me go in the world, all around the world. We are see my bad boyfriend, Run John.
None of my ship. King Addies. I told some guy to watch him speech and then talk.
I'm on for watch how them attack tonight, you know. And watch them speech, car. I'm going to rinse blood clot tune in there for the man them tonight. On the dub box now.
King Addies.
Yeah, true.
Told some guy to watch him speech and then talk. None of mercy. He noticed where they walk. Some guy told people him don't get in the art. None of mercy. Don't let Addies rot. None of mercy. Don't let Babyface.
Wicked man them.
None of mercy.
From out no intention.
Someone get dark. None of mercy. Somebody ain't gonna shoot off. None of mercy. Bounty alongside Gwen Shade. You gotta pull it.
Wait till they come on. Now Gwen Shade.
I wish I had King Addies to take me round the world.
Wanna listen to you now, good?
King Addies is the dearest son on earth.
What a surprise, surprise.
King Addies.
I don't want you surprise.
King Addies are you rule.
I don't want you surprise.
You
why you surprise?
Lay them boy.
Me say them get we cross. Addies some boys say them not no heart. Hey, make we murder them so quick.
Pull up that. We're going to reach soon in that tonight.
Why?
I'm going to play about 1 million bounty killer in that tonight.
Every son on earth to me so. And King Addies. And King Addies are you rule. You rule.
Surprise.
Me say them get we cross. Addies some boys say them not no heart.
Run it down.
Make we murder them so quick and fast. Hey, them not go get no chance in not this your dance. None of mercy. Them can't say them bad lucky or say them salt.
Well, you can't say you're not bad lucky. And the man them can't say a little song we are play with car. Me not get nobody no blood clot chance. Blood tune. Massive. Antigua people, I want you to listen to tune when Addies are play. Listen to that tune, the first time when I hear that tune in a special. A remix. I guess for them I make it at the studio. Listen to that tune now. Listen. Listen. Don't get me mad in yourself. Murderers, Addies, are wicked every time. Big up your face, a good friend of mine. Ali La. Rhythm track, same time. Over get bigger, over get smaller. I want sound to play that tune. Well, tell us sound go to L. Rhythm. Jack set speed. Me tell you, Addies in the venue. The wicked every time. All mercy. All mercy. Honest Wilson, hear that tune now. I hold on most then in your pull up blood clot. This is not tune now. Murderers, Addies, are wicked every time. Big up your face, a good friend of mine. Ali Large too. Rhythm track, same time. Over get bigger, over get smaller. Alright, swell. Tell us sound go to L. Rhythm. Jack set speed. Me tell you, Addies in the venue. The wicked every time. All mercy. All in them massive. Hear that tune now. I hold on most then the Indian and you. Burn that door. We will tell Exorcist, sir. Sound boy, time is longer than rope. You disintegrate and easy now. We must bust your shout. Cause you pick up yourself in a competition. I can't defend it. We just want a bam bam. Quick. Somebody go call the owner. I jump on bust and in your head. Somebody call the undertaker. Down the jet gun get run through. Them a bring it down from the jet shot. Lord, the kind of madden in the freezer. Boy, can't for them sound on a crowd pleaser. The great Addies New York ball for.
Get yourself in order before you cross the border. Get yourself in.
Tell them King Addies moving up the line. Now go look behind, we just a step to the top till big.
All up, Paul. I want you to listen what we are run through tonight.
Addies as well.
I put your band till I spragger Benzis. Run through.
Yeah, man, I show you sufferation. There ain't nothing about Addies, man. We keep on striving, man. Straight up to the top. Number one, now stop. Then you large all white.
Remember, I said there's 12 o'clock in it.
Put your band alongside Spragger.
The fittest of the fittest shall survive.
Large all white, man.
Big up all crew from 90s.
Harvest mercy, baby, first tell them King Addies moving up the line. Now go look behind, we just a step to the top till victory is mine. Moving up the line, we not the time for look behind, we just a head to the top. King Addies tell them we're living in a world full of struggle and strife. Where the weak fade away, Addies will survive sufferation and oppression in baby face life. And we have to struggle if we want to see our life. But we pick up the Bible, cause I'm 75 verse 7 make me open. I have realized as one song God and King Addies will arise now. We not give up, we keep it.
My Addies play like a champion, juggle like a champion. Why Addies are me, so tell me where you come from. Kick off and jump pam, papa pam pam. Addies sound your rule, Addies sound play like a champion. Well, what a champion.
I don't know. How come as soon as me start playing the sound start But anyway, put your band on. Run tune again. Run tune. That's how we are fling out tune in the car. We not play with tune.
Easy. All of New York knows the baby face.
You want to say? I want to say big respect to the youth like that. So anyway, I'm the same.
keep praying, man, draw selection. Watch this one. Dante.
Be faithful to your wife, for better for worse. Dante says she must find the turn.
Addies, mercy please.
No Buju.
Stand by Addies, he's a struggle Benz. I don't want new lot from the city.
Let me tell Antigua people them say.
Zelda. They can't play like a yo. Well, all them are run up them out and a slow. Addies crew.
No Buju.
Struggle like you. Baby face the dump that you play. Them a Buju. Them wanna me say walk them too. Oh, back road brother in a London too. Excitement and these your dumps them never know. I know one piece of beanie bounty neither Buju. I know one piece of Dantina we anyone that too. And these your dumps them at this pounds and blue.
Hold on, pull up. I don't know why I go on with the humming thing now. Now engineer, why you set that thing right in the car? It never hum before. Anyway, keep it on. Why you coming for the massive? After me left out of New York, and that tune them ever play for them and them now.
Yeah, this international put them into the new lads family, a big thing, which I know Tony at EA Face Lager. Put them chat. One time for it. Yeah, we got the man from Bronx, but I'm going to Brooklyn up to Canada and England. Yeah, likewise, Jamaica, set speed. This brand about the line. What me say? Dance now, live it every time.
All that trigger, rude boy.
Live it every time. I just got him, live it every time.
We do keep it on.
I this left from foreign and gun from world show. Play and teaching the people show. And that's the job of him and if you ignore you're going to perish. I this all come back and New York everything insecure. All up, pull up. Run by that blood clot, run by that, run by that. Life, the world is dead for the wicked house of them, tell me no star said fall. Yeah, this international put them telling new lads family a big thing was an Tony at EBS face large. Put them chat. When the time for it, yeah. You got the man from Bronx, but I'm going to Brooklyn up to Canada, England. Yeah, likewise, Jamaica, said speak. All this fine about it. Now show it. What me say? No attention. Now live it every time. Now Kim. Now run it, make it up. I just got him, live it every time. Him say, I this left from foreign and gun from world show. Play and teaching the people on the door. And that's the job of him and I found it all. If it never attack you, I this all come back and New York everything insecure. Rich I get rich and the poor I get poor. Come back, come here, step on dead skull poor. Come back, come here, federal span skull poor. Yes, the John poor, Palais, Jamaica pan poor. But him and a plan knife, him march and poor. Two Kingston and all the poor. But me know the whole of them would have must dead for sure. And the DJ them non-fish people on poor.
The saddest day in their life, and it's just what I just friends were going insane, and it's about the saddest day in their
Exorcist. Mine are the saddest day in your life. This in a ragga.
friends were going insane.
Bojo. Tell them how you are must go and them a look what's on a look. Yes, I did a must go and them a look what's on a look. I must go and them legal. Run by that Bojo, run by that. Kill them Addies.
Sweetest in the town.
Don't think we play tune here.
Kill them. The saddest day in their life, and it's just what I jump and say. Friends were going insane. The saddest day in their life, and it's just a jump and say. Going insane.
Bojo. Tell them how you a must go and them a look what's on a look. Yes, I did a must go and them a look what's on a look. I must go and them a look what's on a look. Every face I must go and them a look. Mr. Stand down around somebody run go call him mother. Wake somebody run go with the dada and the brother. Shut a send pussy down cherry club's ladder. One King Addies you know with bird up a feather. You tell them how we a press the trigger them a look and them find out that we a must go and them a look. King Addies and you a press the trigger them a look. Watch them a look. Addies a press the gun. Tell them
try to erase all the memories.
Sing when you wanna sing.
God is gonna dust you.
I'm your kid.
Yeah, if I could forget all about the past, so how long will this go on?
Cause we no care, we no fear, and we must sit anywhere. Sound boy test, we know them have to disappear. And Addies you run things here to here. Anything come near, you find you here. Addies in the place and say,
One go bury up them now. And Papa put your hand for your head now.
Pull up. I'm going to pop down this blood clot tonight. Run tune.
Yeah. King Addies. Bubble, say something.
Me not get nobody no chance
tonight. Don't get murder from we out to doubt. Wicked men sound Addies. Why yo?
Don't get me mad in here tonight.
Why yo. Sound a go dead. Why yo? Why yo. Yeah, I'm a father being a man. Step up, come deal with them. Mercy. Big up the new lads family. Mr. Gunna man like Juby. Yeah. Big up the man like Tony. What you want to think is time or come? What is the program? Got shot to lick him like that. Yeah. A wicked man run the hand. Baby face.
Bring him on, what you say?
Say. One go bury up them now. And Papa put your hand for your head now. One go bury your dead now. Son boy put your son for the top. King Addies we have big mouth. Him a kick and music. Well them say them not look fit a big gun them pretty. Gun my cup pretty. Baby face not a pretty. That's a fat lot. Holy. Put on the 16 and pick up him.
Don't be greedy. Learn satisfied. Don't be greedy. You must learn to satisfy. Don't be greedy. You must learn to satisfy. Yes. I greedy dog. You wish I'd have lost his bone. I greedy dog. You wish I'd have lost his bone.
Tiger. Myself have two more and then I bring back in my brethren baby face. You know, because I have to make him set the pace. I have to make him set the pace and you know, me have to try run and keep up. Cause them dub box big like a ship. My records them long like the ocean. So, Massive I want to say, I'm going to say, I say good morning. See? Good morning to the beautiful Antigua people up at Shantytown right about now inside Exorcist. Dancing into Addies and Exorcist and enjoying yourself, you know? Watch it. I'm Massive, this is my final one. Then my brethren, cause me and my friend. Cause sound business is no enemy, it's friend. I just music. See? So, this is the final one. My Massive, you see how all him a flip up on me. And I say, this and him dog box long answer. You know I make him go answer. Listen, I make him go answer.
Big up all of the Exorcist crew them. All Antigua Massive. Big up Cherry Baby and worry yourself. Man like Selector, Reggae, Easy. Rambo, big up yourself, Ocean, Guzum. And all the Beard Massive. Them come crash half pint, X amount of
Shout extra large.
Here, why am I going answer? But me and him still a bridging, you know.
Hey.
But it's alright. But here, why am I going answer?
Due to ecstasy selection. Due to ecstasy selection.
Son of but bridging baby feels. You know, cause you and me is supposed to be, you know. You took my, you know, my cousin.
Hear me now. Our rockers are the best friend. Tell me Antigua people. They say rockers are big friend. Imagine enough. Every tune rockers put on Exorcist. Him call my name. Every tune. But I know me started. A ragga started. But me I go finish it. Remember that. Cause you want to see. Me hear the one ragga talk. This and that and where. I don't know long talking tonight. I don't know long talking too much. Sin my lord. Listen to tune.
Hello, fellow comrades. There is a system that is a fraud, and I got to bust it out tonight. From the other day, that guy over there, your wife been messing around my front like a gingy fly. I wonder why. Sometimes I feel like cry, but anyway, let me tell you this. You piece of boy over there, so if you did.
Hey people, I see one of the dance. Whitney from Stonewall. You see me now, me near herb, right? And me are the eyes and the ear of the people, the herb ambassador. And me afraid no one but Jah. That are my future. Selassie! Jah! Rastafari. Yeah, ever living, ever faithful. Babyface run through, man. Whitney, enough respect. You keep dance for make man wine. Good bang, girl, boy. You hear? Dance for kill people tonight. You see anytime my bike back will ever come out. Boy, police never stop. Try run me down for the gun there now. No, but all the people, the original wicked man sound there again, car. Exorcist start the clash thing, and then I talk about him not have no holy pad dub, and him have full of 45. But you see me not have no pity pan, no boy. You could have 3, you could have 1 million dub. I'm going to murder them blood clot tonight.
That is a fraud, and I got to bust it out.
Listen.
From the other day, that guy over there, your wife been messing around my front like a gingy fly. I wonder why. Sometimes I feel like cry, but anyway, let me tell you this. You piece of boy over there, so if your friends are good, shouldn't come over here.
Listen.
Let me tell you this. If you think we come here to play with you tonight, this because it's your hometown.
Listen.
When you get this one between you, you won't believe you're born here. You could have born around here. You could have grown around here. You could have Chris around here. You can't dead one of this blood clot tonight.
Hold up. Mr. I'm going to murder blood clot Exorcist tonight. Me sorry say me have to murder him on him own a sound. Make it wickeder. Listen again, listen carefully. Listen again. Listen again.
Hello, fellow comrades. There is a system that is a fraud.
Listen how we play a tune, Raga. Wanna go and search out on a little dog box. On a little one boat.
Your wife,
a little boat box, boat on half. Listen,
sometimes I feel like
no business you could have born here, so you're dead in here tonight.
You piece of boy over there, so if you did a rinse are good, shouldn't come over here. And let me tell you this, if you think we come here to play with you tonight, this is because it's your hometown. When you get this one between you, you won't believe you're born here. You could have born around here. You could have grown around here. You could have Chris around here. You can't dead one of this blood ladder tonight. Step up.
Listen.
Yeah, man, well, this is as I fight with the original ganja tea. Can I say anything to this?
Dead, you play a bag of 45 for people money. How much money you pay coming now, sir? $10? $10? You know why you regular radio station tune? Tell me. You know me have to tell them boy there. When you can't play big sound, mine don't want to push up. I'm going to kill something.
Yeah, man, well, this is as I fight with the original ganja tea. Can I say anything to this? Dead and buried. Them have some song like that with them a centret. A buckle of Listerine for fresh up and bread. Can you test this? A taxi can get. Step cross, cocoa.
You centret?
For real, Mr. Demus.
You know me have to tell.
Nation thing and
you know me have to tell Ragas.
So, hear this. I said I tell them already. I'm here go tell them again.
Hear me now.
You be, you bang then.
Massive.
You be, you bang then. You be, you bang then. Had this sound come for kill a little tin pan sound.
Let me tell Exorcist check.
Lord.
Let me tell him check. Let me tell him check. Let me tell Exorcist.
Full sound.
Let me tell him check.
But that is the real gang champion. In the session, the real gang champion. Them a talk about them a trip. Them a talk about them a trip. Fret them, never kill no sound yet.
Only thing that started, I told you me a draw for you now.
This a the sound and that a instant death. The real gang champion. In the session, the big bad sound lord. Boy, and this a the real gang champion. In the session, the big bad sound lord. Boy.
Because then the sound there and nobody pick me.
Hey man, kill a sound boy man, Addies. Come on now, come home then.
Nitty-gritty.
Come on now. Ayaga yaga yogi. Ayaga yaga yo. Ayaga yaga.
I'm going murder. Me not have no pity. Me not give no boy no child. You could have baby. Me a shot our baby in a crib.
Nobody pick me.
Hey man, kill us.
All granny in a wheelchair. Me a shot. Come on, no pity tonight.
Come on then. Come on then. Ayaga yaga yogi. Ayaga yaga yo. Ayaga yaga yo. Hey, ready done. I wear some sound boy love. Ready done. I wear some sound boy love. Come in at the dance, come here at the sound. Bout them have sound. Come in at the dance, come here at the sound. At this lift them down. Bow. Ayaga yaga yeah. Hey. Ayaga yaga yo. Bow. Come in at the mental. I root out them Dubplate.
Me sir, me down in a Exorcist mental. And I root out him Dubplate. Look how I search for you. Look. I root out them Dubplate. Come here the one Raga talk. Raga, listen to Junior, listen. All the Rasta man in here, all that blinded people watch. Listen to Junior. Gone and chill.
Let Jah arise and all his enemies be scattered, shattered, battered. Love Jah you live. Hate him you die. Saying like a swine in a sty. Run things. Addies, international sound. Rasta sound. Rasta vibration.
We've come a long way.
Long way me come for kill a boy.
Addies, you've come a long way.
Go on, sing for the Antiguan people.
If we do wrong, they complain.
Bumbo.
Even if we call the Father's name, it's the same what they want us to do. Though they know this is nothing new, I want they do what they want. Let me do my thing.
Alright, pull up. I want you to listen to that tune. Very, very good in the car. And the new prophet, you know, may I tell you. Wickedness are increasing now. We're not playing a regular tune where you hear every day.
Let Jah arise and all his enemies be scattered.
All Rasta-minded people.
Love Jah you live. Hate him you die. Saying like a swine in a sty. Run things. Addies, international sound. Rasta sound. Rasta vibration.
We've come a long way. Addies come a long way now.
Now show the Lord yourself.
Come a long, long way. If we do wrong, they complain. Yeah.
Things are going in circles.
Even if we call the Father's name, it's the same what they want us to do. Though they know this is nothing. They
want you.
What they do if they want. Let me do my thing. You should be thankful. The lights of both that are still shining. Shining. Try to be humble, cause blessed over me.
Now God, let's run
yeah, even Bucklemas, Addies, I'm gonna get out, big up. Turn on your large all the time, to be big up yourself. Yeah, yeah, God is wicked all the time and wicked without a doubt. Addies, around the whole world.
Yeah, when me tell Exorcist for do before me get mad in here, so.
Rasta vibration. Rasta vibration.
Braggers, don't get me mad in here, so. Yeah, what you for do?
Evacuate the premises. Soundbar, hold on. Evacuate the premises. Soundbar. Evacuate the premises. Soundboy, hold on. Evacuate the premises. Soundboy. If you should test Addies, don't you know you'd be in great danger? Now someone please in this place, or you're gonna suffer. Addies is dangerous, and I know it charge for murder. Can't you feel the heat of the Addies just ready to melt you like butter? Evacuate the premises. Soundboy, oh Lord.
Now massive. Is it right now? Dance have a cool long little bit and we have to prove to the people say versatility is not a thing where you can't do with the record. You can't show versatility with record and you have big sound. Trust me. And you see the next tune I can play for them. No sound in the world can play them tune. Listen to that tune go. All the original Antigua gunman them.
Now to all of this crew worldwide and to all the nice girls, remember I call peace. And some look man who are grown and talk about them a gun pan teeth and gun pan cock. Remember, me are the original gunman. See? And me come to kill people. So what is?
First time I hear this in a special. Michael Prophet. No boy play tune like Addies.
I wake up in the morning, what do I see? Addies standing over me with Dubplate. They go kill a sound boy, me cry out loud, them I feel it. Me shout out, Addies a rip.
Michael Prophet.
Yeah, boy. It was the savior of my life, really opened my eyes that I can see. Addies over me with Dubplate. They got chop a sound boy, them cry out loud, them I feel it. We shout out, Addies I reveal it.
Yeah man, this is the time of the dance where we are gonna show the massive them say boy, tune is a thing where I know every man can play a kind of tune. I'm not playing a bag of people them spend their money for coming here so.
Aye. Now this is the concept of I and I will live too near the trees to be frightened by the breeze. Luciano Maxi Priest and
Tony Rapper.
What's this? Exclusive fee.
Maxi Priest, sing for Antiguan people.
Watch ya.
Send another warning.
The sun is not gonna rule them again.
Maxi Priest, Luciana.
This is a warning, 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 warning.
Take it, someone take it.
The sun is gonna rock them again.
know we got enough.
Luciano, sing for the people then.
I said to Addies, keep the trophy for the many songs he has killed. I said to Addies, keep the trophy. You say that sound was on about it. Tell you already, now go tell you again. Say Addies only know it's rougher than him. We are the king, you know, when we wear the crown. Standing like Daniel in the lion's den. This is a warning, 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 warning. Say Addies only come for rule them again.
Me have surprise for you now. Max Prince Luciano.
Warning, warning, warning.
Who you think are coming at the end of the tune now?
Addies only come for rock them again. I'm ready to
Tony Rebel.
I say be careful what you play side of Addies. Cause we know enough of your tricks and follies. I say if you watch what you're playing in the dancehall. Cause if you do certain thing your kingdom fall. And you are born like how you run the area. Tonight we are gonna make your little sound catch a fire. A certain things in the dance you don't be mention. Cause tonight it is crucifixion. Still you never listen. Your ears must be
Oh Lord, this them a bad men, wicked men, no take them to toy. Blacking at them men, mark, kill and destroy. Murder your mama, make your papa start try. Police man see me, a baby, a baby face, I say. Mama just only my go die 21 cup of shot bloody post so sky.
All I pull up that. Run back that. You don't think tune play yet? I just after 1 hour, one murder boy. You think you can come and play a bag of 45 for people then?
New lads family.
Me know say you run yourself.
Them and tell them say, do alright. Oh Lord, this them a bad men, wicked men, no take them to toy. Blacking at them men, mark, kill and destroy. Murder your mama, make your papa start try. Policeman see me, a baby, a baby face, I say. Mama just only my go die 21 cup of shot bloody post so sky. Addies alone play. Mama just only my go die. Drop a bus in 9 place right in front. Jig king, boy them must believe. Even the devil of them want wing to fight. See 5 a class, back on a class, man like guy. Bull can't get guy. Man a picture for your grave in a black suit and tie. My bull down her head, beautiful and the guy. If I never fall off a shit, her son on the die. One play Mataran, when up at night a toy. Man get wanted, police start look the high. They put start to out. 3 start to fight, select I won't be an arm. Father help I. Dubplate like a chimal and it out to me eye. But long the whole set, all the boss nearly. From on the bed men, wicked men, no take man fit. Yeah, glacking on me and marking and dip. Cool, murder, 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 murder. Your mama make your papa start. Why policeman see me? Make me out be a bit face cool. Mama just only my god I 21 cup of shot bloody post was. Addies don't play. Mama just only my god I block up the light. We look and tell you why it's a black light. So your Addies win him.
Oh, you could have put on the rings in the morning inside. There is no escape from Addies tonight. Lying at the uttermost power to the sea. There is no escape from His Majesty. A long time he attend us at the on the folly. A long time he warn you about the dirty slavery. Long time he warn you about the brutality. More on you about we ancient and nasty. More on you all about we black liberty. More on you all about we equality. We beg you all to love His Majesty. So let it be. Celestial, power the Trinity. I some out a nation bow down on them knee. No stop from beg, no stop from clear. Nowhere to run and there is oh boy. Put on the wings in the morning and fly. There is no escape from Addies tonight. Flying at the uttermost part of the sea. There is no escape from
Alan Pool. A versatility we are show. Me not play no 45 for the night. Me can't come out and play love and hate. And but me not do that. Cause people them spend them money for coming here so. Not tonight. Maybe tomorrow night. Now Ninja. When you come do a tune for all the original what that the people them bout you.
Still on nil. Anyway, alright man, if you don't love argument no boy, I'm gonna fire you. Alright, come, good with the problem. Now hear this. Antigua massive. Remember we said people feel all tappy. Alright, Bermuda people want to take good comment. We are people feel all alright, good with no problem. Move is problem to play the game. Jamaica people, alright man, Addies run the fucking world. So what I mean, you fucking fuck faith, fucking nerd, fucking dude, fucking fuck faith.
Ninja.
Man. Addies tell them say, don't boy. Antigua people.
This is a new Ninja man. Listen it. First time when I hear this.
Don't you go down. But I know
I did forever wear that song, you know why?
First time when I hear that ninja.
Bad mind, and them got full. Man, me say them envious. Feel them and do me say bad mind, and them got full. And me say them envious.
Listen to the ninja man, yeah.
Tell them me say bad publicity. That's how them give we. If I never that we get that cannot for me. Bad publicity. That's
how people are want to hear them know. In case you don't never know, this is last week at Jamaica. Last week Sunday. Them stab up Ninja Man, see? And you want to see Ninja for their hospital. Everybody are look for Ninja Man. And then get all 5 stab and 2 chop. And even mother look for Ninja Man at hospital. And Ninja Man, they road same way I keep up a bag of fuckery. And then give me that tune you have to come bring Antigua for the them to play. See? Be a bad publicity them again. Ninja Man, I want to listen to this.
Alright man, give me that enough argument no boy. I'm gonna fire you. Alright, come, put it in the problem. Now hear this, Antigua massive.
Yeah man, give me that one especially for you now.
Alright, Bermuda people wanna set good, come we kill for all. Alright, good, no problem. Move is problem to play the game. Jamaica people, alright man, I just run the fucking world. So what I mean, you fucking fuck faith, fucking nerd, fucking dude, fucking fuck faith. Come on, good boy. Man. How did tell them say? Sound boy. Antigua people. You know say that them trying to see how this sound she go down. But I know I did forever wear that song. You know why? Because them bad mind and them got full. Man me say them envious. Feel them and do me say bad mind and them got full. And me say them envious. What you know let me tell you, me say bad publicity. That's how them give we. If I never that we get that cannot from me. Bad publicity. That's how them give me. If I never that we get that cannot from me. If that is the quote that say yeah, did I go sell it. If that is the clock them put that did I go take it. Then if I talk about good that we do win at the country like make labor right say can wait PNP. It live about love and unity. Baby fears give them the reality. We never give them no impact. Was in with the bad publicity. That's how them give we. If I never that them win come with the bad publicity. That's how them give me. If I never that they get that. Why the bad men gonna not go him skill? Really doesn't matter. I did something better. We kill many sound before.
Mr. Merciless.
So we ask them who I go get this sound of the ear. If I know what this well sound clash nothing.
Merciless.
I go get this sound of the ear. If I know
listen to us.
Selecting up here. Hey, these so expensive on here. Well, if a sound you see, how you make them disappear. No sound you mash up and take them sheer. Well, if a sound you make it up out of the chair. No for them count you take way and wear. Well, if a sound test you flap them career. Front page appearance is always there. You have your good sound, no left it anywhere. When you string up them up, you stand up and steer. Them know say you good, no boy can't compare. You lead by far and not by near. 5 step ahead of that sound over there. You
hold on. You see if a man can manage what him take up.
Shut mouth, Addies. I mean, you some old political thing are going from where there's some pussy will I can talk about much them top up ninja man and what them going with. But remember this time is not 1 gun, 2 gun, not 20 gun. Them draw for the little boy Western Union. Pussy will see me the gun belt on me waist.
See that segment of people? This is what me call. If we not listen to Addies throughout the years. This is what me call a listening segment. Dance now done till the morning. If we met the people that hear some new tune, we never hear in our life.
Shut mouth, Addies. I mean, you some old political thing are going from where there's some pussy will I can talk about much them top up ninja man and what them going with. But remember this time is not 1 gun, 2 gun, not 20 gun. Them draw for the little boy Western Union. Pussy will see me the gun belt on.
This is Judas and Ninja Man in a combination.
Like that a whole gun ninja man come talk to them. Anyway,
bad boy tune.
Last guy come out of my gun belt and look for it where yo. Ah boy, the fucking news again, ya gagan. You know one. Some boy.
You will remember Ninja Man, hear that tune now.
Vintage memory. Who them bodies and lead them in? Man, this is the kill sound time. So everybody needs to come from a line.
Listen that tune now.
Diesel up the front line.
This is every ninja man on ever hear in our life in a one.
That's on the ball out. To me, you put the bed like a bull, you can't to me,
more tune, ninja, more tune.
To me, becoming long to release, till the whole of them.
More tune, more tune.
Pedal on the wheel, pedal on the wheel. Move them eyes.
More tune, more tune.
They don't belong for reality, for reality. Anything that I did, I got it down.
Pull up. Make them ask them about this Union Ninja car. Sample thing I go on here now. Run back to
Ninja man, come talk to them. Anyway, I post when I start card come out of my gun right and
you think I'm gonna get away from anything tonight? Well, I play dub for them too. Don't soon play dub for them, don't worry.
Silent vintage memory. Who them money don't need them? Man, this is the clear sound time. So everybody needs to come from a line. It's a train and diesel and we run for line.
About 10 ninja man in a one, listen.
Ninja. Test to me, you put the bed like a bull, you can't test to me, test to me, you put the bed like a bull, you can't test to me. Me long for release, till the whole of them say me long for release. Pedal on the wheel, move them eyes in the bargain and it don't matter for reality. Anything that I did, I got it down, baby. Come on, y'all give me beat, at the ranking. Me some boy here that silent and run and go do it. Put them pussy glad out and the girl pussy meat. Take up this thing and start it to it. Baby face on round and tell them so sweet. Me ball man no fit weed, woman no fit weed. Nobody take your mouth and go gun your man. That she decide mama. I just can't tell them mama baby call. Ninja me rougher than Rambo. Ninja, madam commando. Me time me like a up road. Come sucker, me big dirty bambo. It's me better up than the big what about? Me want you to pay your protection, you know ready to be. Pay your protection, you know ready to be. Because two is better than too many. No go around and get a lot.
Some fool go like them hot, like them dip on top of nothing. I go and feel them because the whole of them flap. Them I go like them in the number one spot. And with the Addies, them want crash, but the whole of them flap.
Me say people, me not play no tune yet, you know. Remember, me dub box big like a ship. Me Virginia say, for them record box big like the ocean. Oh, you see that ship now? And on a Titanic ship we sink, you know. My ship sail the 7 seas throughout the world. And no boy, not even tornado. Nah, hurricane, nah, storm can't sink that ship here. Run back tune. Listen. They play a tune with me.
Yeah, I'm Addies. It's when it comes to sounding and killing, that's your business. So if a fool want to come disrespect him, really stupid. Large up baby face and tone matter and all the wicked man for money, no lads and all parts. Yeah, me rhythm track, I'm telling you a long talk. Sprang Benz for the ends again and the eye meet and chuck. Come on, large up. Dan you and sugar split, fish cocky them big. Oh yes, lot of it.
Sprang Benz, where you tell them, sir?
Some fool go like them hot, like them dip on top of nothing. I go and feel them because the whole of them flap. Them I go and like them in the number one spot. And with the Addies, them want crash, but the whole of them flap. Them a them stalk. When them a play in the dance, and nobody now rock them flap. But them in this and in that, the young thing where them feel off. It dump in a trash, them flap. And them a go show them enough, but I feel like a toad. A lot of them a cut them flap. Cause we not stop mash them up, them now no woman a pay body them. But them a go like them, they punch up and nothing. I go and feel them because the whole of them flap on. Them a go like the cream and the crap. And we King Addies, them a crash, but the whole of them flap. Watch them a barrier man box and a barrier man arms. They come in a town clash, them flap. I dub them a rinse and a watch. That can't stop with from angle, them rush them flap. Tune where them play today, and the same juggling them play yesterday, so them flap. Both them walk the test way, anyhow them this, them would have dead and very much. Them a go like them, they punch up and nothing. I go and feel them because the whole of them flap on. Them a go like the cream and the crap, yeah, you ma be a face a new track. Tell them a tell them a big bad canna, cause them no cater. Burn people skin, cause them hot like fire. Tell them a big bad canna, when I no mercy. Kill people out and all the whole family. Them is a big bad canna, come and box you down. You couldn't say a word, it's like you get done.
Sitting here watching some boys fight themselves when this is all we're thinking of. While life goes on, we'll never stand strong.
Dennis Brown,
surrender.
When Mad Cabra, the Dennis Brown, Mad Cabra.
Well, sit
down a wings and I look in a life and I watch. As full time son what test at the Santa. Sit down a wings and I look in a life and I watch.
Massive. I want you to listen when me I play tonight. Not no regular $2 tune. And some expensive tune. I have some man pick up sound class business and I tell boy, you know, I have that money there for do that and you know, money for do that. But we have the whole of the money. Addies have the money, so we are the boss. All the rest of sound just fake it out we house. We not business at who? If a 45 LP or Dubplate, this is Dennis Brown, Mad Cabra and Bounty Killer together. Do not boy.
King Addies International.
None of mercy.
So special.
None of mercy.
So sentimental.
None of mercy.
And this is tree so excellent.
None of mercy.
Mad Cobra.
None of mercy.
Bounty Killer and Mr. Dennis Brown. Which
exhibition.
None of mercy.
And I got a bigger man like Babyface and Tony Man.
Them tune are too big.
None of mercy.
Exorcist.
UK. Man from J. Hey.
None of mercy.
Man from Bermuda in the US. Hey.
None of mercy.
And Antigua.
None of mercy.
Run the track, Mr. Dennis Brown, the Council Crown King.
Oh, hey.
Wait till Dubplate up start.
Hey. Hold on.
Go and search out on the record box and dub box.
Sitting here watching some boys fight themselves when they should all be thinking of getting to know themselves. While life goes on, Addies will help us stand strong. We not surrender. No.
One more camera there.
Well, sit down a wings and I look in a life and I watch. A full time son what test at the Santa. Sit down a wings and I look in a life and I watch. A full time.
We're bounty.
I'm rough by them shadow with them arguments and shot. If the person go, then I'll go so we come back. Nothing on this office sell and sell non-stop. Them the skin as it them I go get gunshot. We fling them on the face along them back. If you test somebody they put you in a sound box. So one ticket one thing the tune down here. Hey,
Dennis Brown, come back in, come sing for the people then. Dennis Brown. Part 2.
Giving your heart and soul to vanity. Makes one's life filled with pain and misery. While life goes on,
hear the part 2. Mad Cabra, Bounty Killer, Dennis Brown.
No
Cabra.
That is, I tell them well 16 in a magazine, one in a the head. I'm a cock, trigger press and everything red. As it done ask so till me use it and a skull egg. I parrot me a one me gun a great and nothing next.
We're Bounty there.
4 5 day in a the red. What test of this and then that bomber. We knock so next so me knock so fi dead. You want see me smile then make some bloodshed. Boy like me gun yam like fish and bread. And bust them up that's like some solid.
Stop. I want to show them some versatility. No sound can kill this in the world. Where's the Bounty? Run through.
Yeah, none of mercy.
Addies, them can't kill the sound, just tell them fi quit. Babyface will murder them boy, the last night will murder them, day before murder them everywhere.
How much Bounty Killer me play for the night?
Man, turn on you what I'm gonna say. Gold teeth.
How much about what? 30?
You understand what I'm gonna speak? None of mercy.
Still have 20 more.
We don't left no to nothing. Boy, get them cut and got rotten.
Can't kill that sound for nothing.
Bronx, man, them Brooklyn, London, Canada, world.
I cool out like a bit.
From down about the people in your advice.
I call them from Addies. Dad got them a go and put it with the girl and talk. He come to 11 about killer.
Addies. Addies, them can't kill your sound. Tell them to do it. We murdered them last night and murdered them today. Them can't test your sound. Tell them to do it. I know that yet in New York, y'all them sing. Y'all you better hold up for Addies. Don't make that girl take them. You're there with him too long. Me say, y'all you better hold up for Addies. Don't make that girl take him. You better hold on. Because I tell you no Addies. When they been up one strike. When the white koala liquor just up your price. Don't make you a baby like. You will them in on a belly. Just a dance and fight. When they make a boat down on the government side. Over there is home so long. So I'm life. Pray to Father God to make him show you the light. Baby face bus way. They play not him light. Because money land them deposit right. Big bets, big truck, big thing.
I don't see to live and I don't up bed. I just don't go one night like girl fish and burgers to me heart. So I feel like a suit of the day. You hear me? When I been gun in a waist and you know me bad to you. Him and him gun power. Never separating from baby face. But get a shot in your face.
Cripple time.
I say this all like this you get a shot in your face. The come tomorrow. Fly go space. Murder in farmer hall. How to we day? Like they break out of them. How they day? to leak information to heads up. I tell them how much I will not stop penetrate. We are murdering farmer, gangster no left. No farmer witness can't sit on no case. But now them house and I dump up them play. Just like a dodge on them in a the day. Can't dig no grave and have no time to wait. Half dozen tired to steal with them face. Them exalt themselves and know them be the big face. Just shoot them if that's why them lose face. This all of this them get the shots in all the face. Who see the lift and who talk them? And this no go one night night guy fish and bread. But them with a heart. Go up in a lot of the day. We hear me? Man them gun in a waist and it's a river to you. Him and him gun for never separating from baby face. Must get the shot in your face.
Turn up. I'm going to play one more tune for the massive. Without a doubt, or without no biasness, you know, see me have the dance under control. And people don't need hearing aid, and them don't need glasses to see that. Oh, Mr. Sprague, Jigsy King, last tune. Listen to tune.
Some boy, there's no way to run and there's no way to hide. King Addies tell them set tonight to the dance. Who you gonna play? Ambush in the night. Why? King Addies, you know you must take them life.
Anytime when I'm ready for Dubplate or anything, I'm ready. Kind of people them need some entertainment.
Some boy, there's no way to run and there's no way to hide. King Addies tell them set tonight to the dance. Who you gonna play? Ambush in the night. Whoa.
Now that's what I want you to enjoy.
You must take them life. Ambush in the night. Me and tell you, King Addies the wicked in large. England massive, Canada massive, American massive. Jump on this fragment for them.
I'm not begging the friend. Oh yeah. Them like Addies run the world entire. Oh yes. I tell the world, listen up. I say, King Addies, you are gold, cause you have the dancehall under control. Sprague Ben say, King Addies, you are gold. We not afraid to body to brave and bold. And tell them, King Addies, you are gold. You have the dancehall under control. Sprague Ben say, King Addies, you are gold. So not afraid to body to bold. People listen to King Addies, and them a come back again a dip in a the belly. And every dollar them a spend, buy juice for all of them friend. Yeah, King Addies, the people recommend and in England and Miami, we play every weekend and kill jump on and then kill them again. King Addies better than them, yeah. Baby fake, you not have no problem, car things are going, you are gold. Addies have the dancehall under control. Sprague Ben say, King Addies, you are gold and afraid to body.
So let's see, I got no. See, we have the dance under control. Now may I bring back in Exorcist. And imagine now people, imagine say, this is Exorcist hometown. And you have the whole of your posse in a swap. Peter, the zinc, and me come from quite a New York. And I have the people, them have bust up the blood clot zinc. See me, you see? All the back of the blood clot zinc lick out. So remember, say, me one company plane and me no bring nobody else. And I fear tongue this. So go at me out. Can you see next round? Dub for dub and rare when I come back in. Different thing.
Yeah, massive. Listen, I hear my loan. Come here, son. And beat down that. Him say he make him alone. I'm gonna beat up that. I chew that. That I chew. That I chew. Yeah. Hear him try for do.
True, not true. Big up. All the sound, members and crew. Respect, dead riders and set up. I say you're trying, little song, but listen, you're trying to conquer Exorcist sound, song boy. You never will conquer Exorcist sound boy.
Massive, you see, when me say, me not have no money to buy them kind of dub there, him come on and say, we. So that means he might work for somebody. I must have you see him going and say this and that. He might play a bag of dub and nobody will move. No man, we not deal with them things in Antigua. We don't deal with them kind of things. You must make the people they move.
Now hear the sound system on the place. Don't
them a move, man, watch.
Cause I bluff them now. Exorcist fire case, man. Now big up Ocean and goes up. Rag and Posse, all Antigua massive. Furthermore Reggae fire case again. Whoa now, whoa now.
whoa now. Hold up the one that's left over there, sir. When we kill sound, it's not a crime. Some boy have to know that in this your time. Kill a sound is not a crime. Some boy you dead in this your time. Hey, Exorcist won't be begging. Enough sound will be crying. Enough rhythm will be playing. A whole heap of sound will be dying. Kill a sound is not a crime. Some boy have to know that in this your time. Kill a sound is not a crime. Some boy you dead in this your time. Enough dogs you have been pressing. Warriors preparing for the killing.
Hold up.
You want down for them now?
Yeah man, cause you flop. In front of your own people, them you flop. Is anybody a move here, sir? I don't know why you tune for tune now. I don't know why Exorcist go and juggle out half an hour and come back in. Which one? Are the people only spend on the money and only for tell me where I go on? Cause Exorcist don't flop already. On a flop. Come in, me you. Come defend yourself.
Are you for coming now? My fingers and my gun trigger.
What one ENT?
I watch. See, I play the next tune and nobody move. I can't get the Antigua. Anyway, massive, that was the brand new Bounty Killer. And in the days to come, you get used to that one. See?
All massive and crew, hold tight. Big up. All Exorcist massive. Take it away. Step across people and deal with the kids. Whoa, now. Step aside now. Exorcist is now taking over. For you don't know what you're doing. Trying to test the best now. Step aside now. Exorcist is now taking over.
No, Vinny. Hold on. Come.
Boy, may I tell you. And I forgive Exorcist a very good round of applause still, cause them are going good for your sound down here, so on the little island, so. And I feel, you know, so little appreciation and say, yeah, a good sound for Antigua, but on can't manage. On really can't manage it. So you know when me I go play for them now, I pay tune, you see if I'm now, me no business if you know want to beat down the fence or not. Me I play some tune, some exclusive tune where Addies alone I play. Me not play no regular D-Brown and wait. I bet you say any tune they play, me can't play that. But me not gonna do that. Me I play some exclusive tune for the Antiguan people, them money. Easy money. A big money, you know. Yeah man, money chung down here, so. Me go play one tune. Edgar. He who seeking vanity and have no love for humanity shall fade away. Junior boys in a special. No boy can play with me. I play tonight. Me not play no regular thing.
Let Addies tell you this. Some boy you could have born around here. You could have grew around here. You could have go to school around here. And if you get taken around here, Addies will kill you around here and make you church around here. When it comes to original tune, there is long time Addies are showing you so well, then if you try any funny trick, you shall fade away. Come into the
all Rastaman, reality tune. You want your big tune? Where I say Junior boys?
Sounds that seek of only vanity and no love for humanity shall fade away.
Yeah, you want me say, Raga?
Away. Sounds who's always acting smart and don't carry no love in his heart shall fade away.
Exclusive tune.
Addies is here and there and everywhere.
Yeah man, an exclusive tune. Me not play no regular tune. You see if I'm now, I play a big tune. Me I play if I'm now for the Antigua people. Big tune. Me no business hour. Big tune.
So massive. On the face, me can play a tune. Where am I moving them dub box? I'm gonna talk on a regular tune. Expensive tune. What you say about that baby face? Since me a little sound in Antigua and I go on with things in Antigua. You feel say me can play a special where you have. My brethren, talk to me. Feel me can play a special where you have.
Wait, why I really try for 10 me say? If me play a tune and you play it back, me swim go back a blood clot New York. What you say? What me say, people? If me play one tune and this little teeny beanie sound Exorcist, play it back, I shall swim all the way to New York City. I shall make sure the massive them lift me up right now and go carry me on the blood clot. See? And make sure me start swim. What you say? And me get Exorcist winnings for years and years. What you say, my youth?
You see, now I try turn it round. Me say, if me play expensive, me I talk about no liquor stuff pussy tune, wicked tune. Where you have, what you do? You feel me can do it since me a liquor sound Antigua.
Me not understand. Where you really are trying? Me not understand yet. Where you really are telling me say? Tell me not understand good. Clarify it. Make me hear you. Point good. Make me hear what you say.
I know my brethren Claude understand me. Say what I make Claude point it out for you. I say, if I play a wicked dub boy having a dub box, what would you do? Since me a little sound Antigua and you say me a little this and you a big sound, if I do it, what I want?
Oh yeah, where I go on now? Me have all kind of tune in my box. Me say, me have all kind of tune me cost all kind of money. Me have free tune, me have $100 tune, $200, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, $8, $1,000 tune, $2,000 tune. See? You can play anything you want, but as me say, after you do that, I go and play a tune, and if you play that blood clot, me lock off. Me no business where you want. Play one of my little small tune out of my box. Play one.
Me I play one of them little small tune with him earlier in a combination with Junior Reid. This artist him earlier with Junior Reid.
We hearing on the ear say Exorcist sound puncher and I think him now come. Wanna get fucked, him a come and him there now. Grace man people, witness to death. How much am I telling them now good? Him done good. For real, rather go slow motion. Oh God man came back, cut the gun good. And don't come up with the chicken to the rumble, tell her to do that. Or Taza or Fruity. Read the mic and
you hear this artist earlier. I'm a call him a small fry.
Stand ahoy. Michael Rose. Stand ahoy. Grammy. Shine light on boy until you say you die. Stand ahoy. Shine light on boy until you say you die.
Stand up. That's my tune. The little small fry tune when you have in a dub box.
Raga, I don't want you to get me wrong. And I don't want you to make the artists them go like me at this them. You never hear me say Michael Rose is a small fry artist. Me play Michael Rose and Junior Reid. And you never hear me say nothing about Michael Rose a small fry. See? And you see when me I go play for the people them now in Antigua. I don't know regular blood clot tune. You see that tune? I want big time tune this. We not a tune. You want to come over my dub box, come look. I bet you get lost in there. I bet if you go over my dub box, you're lost. You know me I go play for them. This is Maxi Priest. What I say? Maxi Priest. Years now me I play them, but listen to tune. Maxi Priest. Me kill Exorcist already and go and kill them again. Search for your little tune in a little dub.
Dancehall massive, I beg no ears on listening. Who is the teacher in the dancehall selector? Baby first.
Let me hear you.
I play some chule man dance in the dance, man.
Yeah, we are going. One little man say, you see, that me I talk about, you know, you have some man who love disrespect people, you know. Cause you have about how much people in here, so couple hundred, and them want hear dub for dub. And then you have one little man out there where I rinse up and I say, him want hear tune. Who do you really want to do? Who do still want hear dub for dub? Who don't want hear dub for dub? Cause the people, who don't pay no money. Who don't want juggling, who don't want dub for dub? Who don't want juggling? Who don't want dub for dub? Alright. I'm going to play about that tune in your car.
If I make nothing, you don't listen, you know. Who is the teacher in the dancehall?
Everybody, I want you to link up right now. Everybody, check me out.
Which sound is the champion sound in the whole world? Addies! I watch you know tonight in the dancehall, there'll be no pretty, no. Got Jackson King alongside Max the Praise. Run the Rhythm King Addies. Murder them. I want to get to Addies. Addies and watch you know. Run the Rhythm King Addies. Get wicked in your large. Maintain the rhythm can't get you out. Lion Massive jump up. Addies are wicked in your large. Oh.
Kill him again, kill him again, kill him again. Oh Lord, Addies.
Listen back to Peace Man Special.
Kill him again.
Big sound up here.
Oh Lord. Kill him again, kill him again, kill him again. Oh Lord, Addies. Kill him again, kill him again, kill him again. Oh Lord. So now you come to test the champion sound. Oh well, going round and talking you're the best. Ah yeah.
Yeah man, alright, hear me now. Delray, you see me? You see me now? Me done with the dub for the bumbo clot car. Exorcist is not tune for play me dub for dub. Me done with that bumbo clot. See? Respect that man you. Me done with that. Me not the long cocky thing, see? Cause people them in there so. And people pay them money, see? Yeah man, the second man you. Reggae, come in, come deal with the case.
Yo. I don't want a man feel say boy this a war thing, you know, man a bad man, you know, man a get mad with man, you know, start music, massive. I play this and then I do some, you know, win some show. I respect to my man like Babyface from out the Addies, man like Clark from out the Africa, and man like Parry from out the Stereo 5. Wow, I pick it up all Antigua massive. Catch this
man. A big thing that go on for them some boy over there, so, but a hell of a thing that go on for Exorcist. Easy rap on the wickedest selector in the world, easy Ocean, Jason, don't worry yourself, easy goes on. All masses and crew, this is original look and sizzle, slice up in the blood class song.
Love, love, love. Let the man see.
Love, love, love. Into Mr. Reggae.
Exorcist may not be familiar with those language, no. But I know Exorcist come to kill and let the soul man, Lord. Exorcist may not just in style like those other songs I do, yeah. But this good to me, Jason, is gonna say to you, son boy, right now. A Papa Exorcist Fender, nasty nigga, yeah. Right now. Anyway, Exorcist go, then just a follow. Look. Big man will live straight, boy, and pick me one them corner, yeah. Lord knows, because Exorcist and the ruling down a play on them. Let's kill some guy, Exorcist.
Yeah, alright. Look and see that massive things can go on, man. Chill. Now, massive, me a build back up the voice, so all the massive just get yourself in line, see? Yeah.
Tube, you leak. I Exorcist sound I do it. Where Master Million Teeth say something.
Yeah, hear some boy talk about over there so that them pull all teeth and they face them rust the dirty 45 meat. Well, Exorcist have the original million teeth. Original front teeth, gold teeth, round teeth, side teeth, square teeth, nuff teeth, buff teeth, clean teeth, sweet teeth, mid teeth, back teeth, bite teeth, count teeth, shot, I don't have my name up no more my teeth. And if you don't like it in your face, my toothpaste and my Listerine meat. Exorcist do it alongside Top Cat and Million Teeth. No big up raggers, Goosum, Father Ocean, Chin, Butter, Second, no worry yourself.
Exorcist, wait till them to after hours. Exorcist not just nothing, not good animal. Alien or people cross the nozzle. Send call me some mad, make it pay the funeral. Who's Exorcist? Some sound boy them have the most wicked talk. Chuck up themselves and them love the head sauce. But Exorcist them not have not a talk. Some God and some guinea God pray the papa. Like a aircraft sound chunk to take off. Talk about them heavy, them like a cough. This the program no push the gun with no hawk. Pop off the machine and shut out them hearts. Murderation, myself and them be up. Nasty up knock up from a Crystal bosom walk down after hours. Exorcist not just nothing, not with the animal. Alien or people cross the nozzle. Send call me Sam Madden. Whatever about that, my point for me.
Tell you, some boy get fired, Exorcist get higher. Tell that sound out the road. Tell him sound tired. Some boy get fired, Exorcist get higher. All of the great spine crew, all of the farm crew, know the sound them. Aye, Salvatore, who's that? You ready to talk and promise? Me talk you about what you can defend it. If I did put on it, yes, the angle that grab it. One said the John and the gal. Question to all the call and about yes, to ram it. Like she want you, but me want rock a jam it. Junkie don't mean me, I mean fear rock a jam it. And she and the one if I fear Jason jam it. Go on me, no me back up every stop, oh she no ram it. Don't forget about the back shot, Jason jam it. Move the ram it for me go from the left to the right. Give her the back shot, I say the moon and beat. But punch on, I say the call all night. Ecstasy with the girl, them right, I see the call and I'm about to ram it. Like she want you, don't me want rock a jam it. Shout it up me, I mean fear, oh she no ram it.
Exorcist, girl, I'm gonna find them and tell them say. Exorcist, girl, them come out, them bush to the bone. No worry about man, cause them have feed them out. Matey come out and I go like she a kiss me next she in a that shaky frack. The girl them a winner, big spring to stay young. You the man request me, can't take your lover. Later get loving, around a kitchen. Wife on the moon, she take the plane and go foreign. Matey not ready, tell everybody. She a get the sex, but you get the money. Girl, you exquisite, everything you have it. Exorcist, girl, them, say only all them come out, push to the bone. Now worry about man, cause them have feed them out. Matey come out and I go like she a kiss me next she in a that shaky frack. Exorcist, girl, who don't know what we you to give it donkey legs. You only do what the man 320 Benz. Matey come in like car, when man a rent no angle with care. She mash up and then
baby, just like this. Last night I saw you standing. I started pretending I knew, and you knew me too. You lied, all love I do. I said, and just like a baby, I'll fight to the end. And just like a bottle, I'll see a good spell. I know it's you, baby. I feel into my arms away. Whoa,
Pull up on him and tell him, say watch ya. Some girl full of big speed and a bucket is weak. I'm gonna stop at the lot of them are straight. Exorcist girl a bucket is strong. Inna the ear push up on her hand and sing along. Full of big speed and a bucket is weak. I'm gonna stop at the lot of them are straight. Jason girl, I your name I call. Them can't bounce like no football. Exorcist girl a lead. By 20 furlong them can't catch your speed. You ocean want and now you bosom need. Show you hotter than 21 pepper seed. Better low position and run go breed. And get spit out like all orange seed. Eat all a name and pull a she can't read. Top out! Some boy forget shot in the mouth, Exorcist. Some boy talking about wicked man pussy. We just pass out the whole fragment and rewind me big old convertible gun under your mama. Some boy talking about lick man pan him out. Pimpy a flick Jason 20 gun mouth. Me friend has some stay me gun big till just speak up in the world. I'll say warning. Yeah man, we shot boy bright and early Sunday morning. Man not to put back till December evening. All wicked man beat man. Me look. Me say, Exorcist a boss in the glove keys. All I really wanna do is make me feel so fine. Oh. Murder informer in a day and night. Even if you can look up to me, I wanna put it aside. Cause me my boss 20 gun one time. Black and the Uzi and the KG 9. Informer take the news carried from the head. Like, boy find you do that to the dead same time. Now you chase no shot from the chain. Line no make bounty see you is your dead same time. Fish shot informer mood a spend every time. Exorcist I know it's a boss in the glove keys. All I really wanna do is make me feel so fine. Oh. Murder informer in a day and night. Even the future look up to me, I want you off it real. Why them a go on like them make out a steal? Pop out the cock of your shot, them a go feel. Cap a shot of fire, like red off a real. The way me gun give me a fish be found real. What do you mean the wheel? Jesus a boss in the glove keys. All I really want, last guy. Oh, to me turn to the gun. Mute it. This happy me gonna carry pain as long chica. You know I know people are in fire.
Alright, let's do that. The massive to remember tomorrow night, Century Song and one lawn, the Addies, the Freak and the Exorcist, only $20 get you in. The massive, so we can't take the we can't take the violence things, so we just have to play a tune for the massive them. See? So massive.
Across the border, we'll have to face up to the fortress, and Addies of the telepathic war power. Yummy Bolo on the International Star Allied. Yeah. Run it, road boy. Bingy lion in the jungle. Rasta in the jungle. See the Babylon system a crumble. See it. Rise up, fallen fighters. Rise and take your stands again. For he who fights and run away, live to fight another day. Idiot sound boy, have to fall on the sea. Idiot sound boy, have to fall. The idiot sound boys have to fall. The idiot sound boys have to fall.
Yeah, these one of those. For mercy, yeah. Wicked Addies come again. I reckon the ital muscle. Hammer matter board man.
Any time try cross the border, we'll have to face up to the fortress, and Addies of the telepathic war power. Yummy Star Allied. Yeah. Run it, road boy. Bingy lion in the jungle. Rasta in the jungle. The Babylon system a crumble. See it. Rise up, fallen fighters. Rise and take your stands again. For he who fights and run away, live to fight another day. Idiot sound boy, have to fall on the idiot sound boy, have to fall. The idiot sound boys have to fall. The idiot sound boys have to fall. Going around and say you are the best. Jamaica sound boy lick you down. In a dope contest, see Northwest, South and East. When we play, the people don't wanna go away. They don't wanna go away. See, I see the idiot sound boys have to fall. The idiot sound boys have to fall. I me say idiot sound boy have to fall. I me say idiot sound boy have to fall. Ain't no sound that move me, and I ain't no sound that groove me like Addies do. Like Addies do. Oh, you see, when you play me wrong, but don't play for everyone. Addies are the number one. Say Addies are the number one. See your way. It's not for the swift, not the buckle for the strong. It's not. This race is not for the swift, not the buckle for the strong, but for those who can endure. Big up Danny Dread, Babyface, and all the Addies crew. Ruler, yo, yeah, cause Addies a capital of sound roller. I will praise the old Jah with all my heart. I will ever praise thee continually.
Nasty Rockers presents Sound System Wednesdays at the Caribou Education Centre, 7A Gresham Road, Brixton, London, SW9 7PH. Resident Sound.
Nasty Rockers, the sound of music.
Wednesday the 7th of October, Fatman Sound featuring Flip and Isaac Natural. Wednesday the 14th of October, Nasty Rockers Black History Showcase and Guest Sound. Wednesday the 21st of October, The Great Wasiwan. Wednesday the 28th of October, Intimate Love with Richie and Digital. Admission £5. Security tight but polite. For info 07931 983 807 07956 882 051.
Wagwan ENT.